When you're stealing money but you're a good person.
You're stealing money, but you're giving back 50%, or you don't take all of it. गाड़ी नंबर 302. ये क्या कर रहे हैं आप मेरा बिल्डिंग के सामने? Sorry madam, मैं आपको सिटी नहीं बता रहा था. Sorry about that. I did one episode of Roadies. I was trying to block that out of my memory. Thank you so much. Why did you bring that up?
Oh, I need a laptop. I want to become an ethical hacker. But I never used it for hacking.
Because you can't. 1 minute mode. Hello. Oh fuck.
Stop spending your money on stupid shit.
Hello. Welcome to another episode of Spender Bender, episode number.
We'll figure it out. We don't know yet.
It'll
Depends on edit.
It'll be here. Today we have a guest. And it's a guest who has had a public spending problem for years. Actually,
What?
I think I've been watching you having.
You have influenced our spending issues.
That's true.
Yes.
I was not going to talk about this in public, but
That's-
I do have a problem.
It's not a problem. See, we're trying to normalize it. I
Yeah.
did say problem 5 seconds ago, but it's not a problem.
No one has ever said, hey, we're doing a podcast. Can you bring some of the rubbish you bought online? And we just want to see, कि क्या खरीदते हो आप? I was like, fuck, I'm coming. किधर आना है?
So today we're gonna show stuff we've bought and that stuff that we have on our wish list. Yes. So
First question first.
Yes.
Jose, what is your relationship with money?
It's a bit of a love-hate relationship. We've been seeing each other on and off. Money fucking never stays in the account.
Right?
That's
It keeps
really.
leaving you. But it's
Dude.
such a toxic relationship. You keep wanting it back also.
What, money or stuff?
Money.
Acha, yeah. Also
What?
stuff to buy. No. Like things.
Acha,
Things to buy.
Yes,
to
yes.
buy
Yeah, come on,
with
drinking
money.
chai.
No, also, no matter how much money you have in your account, it's always leaving. And still you're like let me just see, what are these lying down glasses?
Oh, it's so much fun. It's so much fun to just keep buying stuff. So let's directly get to the stuff then.
Yeah.
Yes.
But also that feeling of the guy coming over and you're
I
waiting.
know, right?
I have cancelled meetings because I've had an Amazon delivery coming the next morning.
No, you know what? You know what I do? It's like an alarm for me now. I know he'll come in the morning.
Yeah.
So I wake up when he rings the bell and I'm like, I wake up to a new thing.
You're like, let me just set it 9 a.m. Delivery time.
No, he usually comes between 9 and 10 is when they come. He rings the bell. I'm like, hi, give
We're
me
not
my
at the
stuff.
window waiting for our loved ones. We're like, वो delivery guy आ गया कि नहीं? किधर
And
आए
usually
हुए?
I don't answer phone calls, but now I know Amazon ka delivery number is end में 444.
Oh,
Like if
nice,
this
nice.
guy is calling, I am answering.
But the thing is, I've not gotten the same Amazon guy multiple times also. I think I have to be better at buying more stuff. I have to buy more
yeah.
stuff.
I have a like this one Amazon guy. He comes a lot to my house. I think he's dedicated to this area. But issue with me is I'd never pay in advance. I always do cash on delivery because I want to see how the next 2 days are gonna go in terms of money.
Makes sense, yeah.
Right? So sometimes I can't afford it after 2 days, so he has to take it back.
Like, I changed my mind. I don't need these stockings. आप ले लो वापस. He's like, ठीक है.
So wait, when do you decide
What?
that you don't want it?
So it depends on what I've ordered. Let's say I've ordered another USB Type-C cable,
Yeah.
right? And I had to pay rent that day and I forget. Like, okay, you know what? I don't really need this USB Type-C cable
He's like,
now.
भैया ये 100 USB cables आप वापस ले लो.
Yeah, can you return this and the 50 other I have?
मैं वापस करूंगा ऑर्डर मगर 2 वीक में करूंगा वापस.
But Jose, I have to tell you one thing. There was a brief period in my life when my mother hated you.
What?
Yeah.
What did I do?
I
I'll
also
tell
don't know
you. I'll
what-
tell you.
Oh,
So
shit.
in 2009, you had a show on MTV called What the Hack, right? With Ankit Fadia, ethical hacker.
Oh no.
So I had a desktop before that, and I wasn't a nerd, so I wasn't using internet that much. But I saw you guys use a laptop, and I was like, "Wow, I need a laptop. I want to become an ethical hacker."
You wanted to
Like,
be
fuck these guys. They're influencing my son to get a laptop.
But then I got the laptop. She caved in and she bought me a laptop.
Oh, fuck.
But I never used it for hacking.
Because you can't.
Wait, did you know in Jaipur?
people's
In Jaipur,
lives like this? Oh
This was happening in
shit.
Jaipur.
Oh fuck,
Wow.
that's wild.
What
That's
year was
amazing.
this?
This
What the
is
heck?
2009 or 10, I think.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
was the first
2009
one
or
that came
10.
out. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Also, I still don't know what ethical hacking is because
Ethical hacking is when you're not trying to fuck
When you're a
with
good
someone.
person
Yeah, when
about
you're a
it.
good person in heart,
Oh,
but
it's
you're
literally ethical.
when you're stealing money, but you're a good person.
You're
in
stealing
heart.
money, but you're giving back 50%, or you don't take all of it.
You're half Robin Hood.
You're like, देखो मैं कितना अच्छा हूँ, आपका पूरा नहीं ले रहा हूँ.
Somewhat
Fuck,
ethical.
What a crazy story that is. But
Okay.
Ankit didn't get any hate. Just me.
There's you
Because she
like,
knew
Mama,
he was
Jose
fooling
has
around.
it.
No, he saw you use a
Yeah.
laptop and he was like, "What is this thing?" Because it's also Jaipur. No, I'm.
Imagine Hoshang's mother controlling his MTV watch time. And no more MTV.
Yeah, for other reasons, not
Yeah.
for watching adult content.
She's like, you can watch Splitsvilla.
Yeah.
ये सब क्या देख रहे हो?
उसमें कोई laptop use नहीं कर रहा है.
You're a bitch, yeah, fuck you, can do and all. So you can watch this.
You want to know
What's
something
that?
crazy? I wrote the last season of Splitsvilla.
Oh shit!
And he used a laptop
Amazing.
because of you.
Because of you.
Bro, I had given them an idea saying, look, it's been fucking 10 years now.
Yeah.
Okay. We have Roadies season 25 and everyone's like a senior citizen and all. They're like, aap kudo and all. I said, why don't we mix Roadies and Splitsvilla and call it Explodies or something? Every podcast I go to, I'm like, listen, I have this idea. But the idea is that if you love this person, then you'll wrestle the crocodile.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mix
that
them
makes
both.
sense.
And Ranvijay
That
like,
what-
"ये आप ठीक से नहीं कर पा रहे हो."
What did they say?
They said, fuck off.
Why?
Because they don't. I think production getting that crocodile and all might have been a
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
Arey, but Roadies
But
production already
you're
has.
digging the idea, right?
I love
Love
this
it.
idea.
If
Eat
they approach me
cockroaches.
again, I'm gonna suggest. They're like, have you met Jose recently? Have you heard this
They're
before?
like, we've heard this idea before. A crocodile.
Eat cockroaches if you love that. That's such a good idea. In South Africa.
Yeah. You don't. तुम मेरे से प्यार नहीं करती हो. मगरमच्छ के साथ नहीं कर सकती हो तुम.
But mixing these, so Splitsvilla is in a resort, no?
Yeah.
So what, they get the crocodile into the resort?
Yeah, in Goa.
They're like, guys, surprise, a 4-feet pool. The crocodile's like, yeah.
That's great. Okay, so getting to the things we have
Yes.
got.
Oh,
I'll-
amazing.
Okay, you want to start?
मैं भी गोनी लेके आया. Whatever is good for you.
You
guys.
start. You start.
start.
Let's start.
Oh.
What have you got?
Ooh,
I'll
I haven't
save
seen this.
I'll save the best for last.
Oh, you got multiple things. Love it.
So yes, multiple things. 1 minute, the wires are connected. So this is for bum washing. I'm kidding.
Fuck, tech has gone
Oh,
too
it's
far
really,
now.
it's
For the
really
camera.
clean.
इसका beauty shots लेना पड़ेगा बाद में. Sir,
Oh
आप
wow!
close
Oh
ले लो.
shit!
What
What
the
is?
fuck is this?
What is
So
this?
this is
Lamp.
an anti-wine glass. No, I'm kidding again. So you all have seen those videos, right? Where they say ki, they show you this infrared camera,
Yeah.
and someone flushes a toilet, and all those fucking particles are flying.
The
everywhere.
UV
Yeah,
light
yeah,
come on.
the
yeah,
sperm
yeah,
wala
yeah,
thing
yeah.
and
I
all
was
will show up.
No, not the sperm thing. You've been watching a different channel, sir.
Okay, I
This
think
is for poop.
Oh, the poop one. Yeah.
You, the ads you're watching, they come on Pornhub.
No. I watched Hotel Hell Gordon Ramsay वाला उसमें आता है ये, तो
yeah,
फिर
yeah,
I think वो
So
हाँ.
there's a video where they do the infrared light and somebody says, "Hey, do you know that every time you flush, all the particles are going everywhere? तुम्हारा toothbrush के अंदर जा रहा है."
Yeah.
So this is, I was going to make a reel about this, but now it's yours, sir. So you're supposed to take this, you put your toothbrush inside here, and then you close this. Okay?
Yeah.
But please be careful. Don't keep this in your bathroom still, because this side is open.
What the?
So you'll just trap all the poop particles in there, right?
You're giving them a house by just being like यहाँ आ जाओ, सब यहाँ आके बैठ जाओ.
Listen, this is so stupid, but I think it's very functional.
but
It is.
No,
we
but-
agree.
Yeah.
Listen, don't toothbrushes have the cover,
Caps
the
on
cap?
top, yeah.
Yeah, but then the rest of your toothbrush will have, you'll be holding the poop.
अरे वो तो इस पे भी ना.
But what
Clearly,
toothbrush
you
is-
leave your toothbrush in the bathroom.
I do.
But you know what? Even after watching that reel, people are like, haha, She, that's really bad. And then they continue leaving the toothbrush
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah.
So,
So wait, now you leave your toothbrush outside the washroom?
yeah, so this is now your this is your sign, guys. To get this thing on Amazon, I think it's cheap, like 200, 300 bucks or whatever.
Oh, that's
Okay.
not bad, yeah.
I think so. I'll have to check. I don't know. But keep it outside of your bathroom.
Okay, but if you keep your toothbrush without the cap outside the bathroom, then there
That
are no
also
poop particles
works, yes.
anyway, right?
But but as someone who lives in Mumbai, sir, there's a lot of construction going on.
Lot of construction.
Dust particles, they come in from the
Yes.
top. Therefore, the top cover.
That's true. They can't come from down.
Now I
Unless
want
you
to-
have breeze coming in from here, the dust particles can't go back inside.
So you have to know where the breeze is coming
Ah.
from and keep it
Can we do a
accordingly.
live test? Can I get my toothbrush to see how
Sure,
many dust
yes,
particles?
yes, of
And
Can
then
we?
what infrared light कहाँ से आएगा मगर यहाँ पर?
Oh, I thought this doesn't come with infrared light.
For
No,
200
sir.
bucks.
For
No.
200 rupees.
I don't know.
इतना पैसा
So
में
wait, this
इतना
is
ही
just a
मिलेगा.
stand for toothbrush to keep outside the washroom.
Correct, you're on to it. You figured it out.
Listen, I was on board with this till I found out about this part.
The infrared part is the bathroom, bro.
How often do you use this?
I use this now like regularly. Those
Okay.
reels just scare the shit
Where
out
is
of
it
me.
kept?
It's kept outside on a little like a table.
So
Or-
wait, sometimes don't you forget to take it inside the washroom when you want to brush your teeth?
What to
No, but
brush?
then
Like sometimes you forget a towel, you know.
yeah, but if
Yeah.
he's going to brush, he'll remember to use the
But
brush.
what
no?
if he's
Yeah.
just going in for his morning routine, everything
Yeah.
like you know? in
I
one
come
go.
back out. The distance
Yeah.
is like a 2 meter. It's not a problem.
It's-
sir.
What
It's
if, you, what if you've already taken off your clothes and all?
Arey,
It's his house.
It's yeah.
what do you mean? No, but it's really fun
Imagine me
that
on the railway station. मैं उधर कर रहा हूँ. ए भाई, इधर मत करना, तुम्हारा crush का पता है उसका scene.
it's really fun if guests come over
Yeah, I was gonna
and
just say
they
that.
just see brush.
And they were like, hey,
No
Jose, I think
standard.
your brush is outside. You're like, wait, let me tell you.
I'm like, my clean brush is outside without poop particles. वो वाला brush.
नहीं, but वो cap works. I think
cap works,
I have
yeah.
a cap.
but for the
so
for the bristles, but not for the body.
for the
of-
whole, yeah.
But in general, something that's going in your mouth, I
That's-
feel like you should not keep it in the bathroom.
That's a good
That's
I'll
point.
call
very
you
good
next week
point.
to find out. So, where's the toothbrush?
Actually, it's in my neighbor's house right now. I've kept
So
it.
quick thing, that reminds me of something that happened to me recently. I was in Singapore traveling with Cyrus Brocha. This turns out, and
Wow,
we were,
one flex after the
no,
other.
no,
Yeah, okay.
we were staying in a hotel called the Great Madras Hotel. Hotel is the worst hotel stay I've ever had. Their wash basin was not in the toilet; it was in the room. So after taking a dump with your dirty hands and wet hands,
You
because
gotta walk
You
outside.
gotta walk outside into the room and
Let
then wash
everyone
your-
know.
In that hotel, you keep the brush inside the
Yeah,
bathroom.
perfect, man. Perfect.
Those guys haven't seen the reels yet.
Yeah, they have in the Great Madras Hotel.
But this is a recent purchase.
It
sir.
looks good. Yeah, it looks beautiful. I mean, when you said it's an anti-wine glass, I'm like, that makes so much more sense than how you described it.
That makes more sense, sir. Interesting.
You can keep your tongue cleaner and all also.
Anything
in
you
this.
want. Your butt plugs can go here. The rest can be standing there. Just don't let it
Your
touch the
butt
toothbrush.
plugs, your poop particles shouldn't go on your
Yeah,
butt plug.
yeah.
Is it very expensive?
No, I don't
No,
think
no,
so. It's
200-300.
like 300 bucks or something.
Oh,
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Then I don't think it works. 200-300, I don't think it works. Dude.
No, so
I
wait.
think
It's
it's
a
yeah,
stand. The light isn't in there.
If
Yeah,
it
but-
had a like any closing niche na yahan par, I think then it would make sense.
For the bathroom.
For the bathroom.
even I was like, hey, नीचे से खुला है. ये कैसे चलेगा? अब इसको बाहर रखना पड़ेगा.
Instagram ad you saw, no? These
I don't
Instagram
know,
ads.
I don't know. I saw that reel and then I was like, fuck, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
Okay.
कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा.
Has your spending habit gone worse since Instagram started doing these sponsored ads and how they're targeting it now?
So mostly it's makeup and also it not affected me that much. But
Wait,
yeah,
your ads are makeup.
Yeah, I love your algorithm, dude.
I have face masks. Maybe my wife is scrolling on my phone.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Your wife is just putting on your phone, makeup.
Shit. No. Instagram doesn't affect my spending. Amazon itself affects your spending.
Yeah.
only.
Yeah.
They're only like, oh, you like this? What about this?
What about this other? That's how I buy most of my
Yeah, on
shit.
our
Shop
screen
for
time,
more.
we have more screen time on Amazon than
Amazon.
Instagram.
Your phone is like, you've used 6 hours of Amazon today. Please stop.
Bought nothing.
Instagram 3 minutes, Amazon 6 hours.
This is a great product. Are there more or is this?
हाँ.
There's more. I thought we'd do one each.
Oh, we can.
We
No,
can-
mine like.
हाँ, our product like
Oh,
me,
you
got
want the
one.
spotlight for your product? ठीक है.
I'll go. Okay.
What's in the bag? What's in the bag?
So I have a cat. Okay.
Is it cat in the bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a cat.
No, poke holes in the bag.
So like cat hair बहुत होता है तो I was just like बहुत निकालना है तो first I got
The lint roller.
a normal lint roller.
Nice.
Okay. This is.
I haven't even opened it
This
yet.
one I haven't opened. Okay. This is a
But
great.
these are good. These are actually good.
But the problem with this is you have to keep removing layers.
I find that very wasteful.
It's very annoying, and I have to keep finding
Not
a
good for the
dustbin.
environment.
I
Yeah.
mean, yeah, sure,
Yeah,
but yeah, I mean, I didn't like it, so I was like,
Use
it's-
blue tack. Just keep rubbing blue tack everywhere, and then use it to stick things.
So I was like, इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा क्या है? So I found this sticker. This is nice.
But doesn't
This-
the cat? Isn't it bothered by
Not-
shaving the cat?
No, I don't do this to the cat.
Oh,
I do
what's-
this to surfaces where the cat has
Oh,
been sitting.
It looks like a vegetable peeler.
Oh yeah, the onion.
The cat is
peeler
like,
thing.
not on me.
It's good for you, please. No, so this is great because it has two sides and his cat tree and all. I can like get the lint
Oh,
out.
nice, nice.
Nice.
Okay, this was good.
That's
but then
better than the. That's better.
It's
than
it's
the
better.
lint
It's
roller.
better because I can just peel the cat hair off
Then
from
you go to the
here.
window. And,
Dude, that's exactly what I do. I told some people and they were like, you can't do that. You can't just throw it out. And I was like, yeah,
They're like, मेरा
fuck.
खाना में जा रहा है.
I'm sure मेरे नीचे जो भी रहते हैं उनके घर पे बस cat hair गिरे जा रहा है, which is I don't think that's good
That's
for
hilarious.
them. But okay, then I was like,
Oh, it doesn't end.
oh, yeah. Then I got
Oh
this.
my God.
Okay.
Are you painting your cat now?
No, so this has two layers. See,
Nice.
it.
These
it-
attachments used to come with vacuum cleaners.
Yeah,
and all.
yeah.
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 Oh shit.
This looks like a window sweeper, though.
Yeah.
Oh, it actually looks like a window sweeper, but then this works better. I mean, this works better.
So
Okay.
a third product
Wait,
about
this-
cat lint.
Yeah, this is nice. I use this the most.
So what, that collects it in the back over there, is it? That collects it in the back?
Yeah, it collects it here, and then like sometimes randomly, it just switches to this. Then I don't know what to do.
Okay.
The best part about all this is how we're so casually like, yeah, so it all goes in the back over there, and this is for cats.
And like this does something. I mean,
That's
this.
the-
Oh
Ah.
shit!
Oh,
yeah,
look at
so
this.
like I was saying, it gets collected in the back.
Yeah, it does.
are you just finding out about this?
I've had the product for
I didn't
6
know he was
years,
there.
and he's like, now
I didn't know it was all there. I just removed all of this
you
from
can make
here.
a sweater
He just
now.
thought, wow, what a pointless product. This sucks.
That's why it
Does
automatically
nothing.
rotates.
Yeah.
It's got
Yeah.
collected in the back.
It works.
It's been dissolving the cat hair. I don't know where it's going.
Oh
Idhar
shit!
hi aa.
It works though. See?
Brilliant,
does.
brilliant.
Okay, then I saw.
There's more.
Then I saw an ad for an electric one.
Oh,
So-
nice,
Oh, it's a nice color also.
Yeah, yeah. And I told this to a friend, and my friend was like, "Oh, this is not for that kind of lint. This is the woolen clothes."
Oh, yeah, yeah. I
Voila.
was just going to say that. I don't think that's for like animal
It's
hair.
not.
Makes a lot more
It's
sense.
not. It's not. It's for.
So now you have clean jackets and all.
Yeah, I don't
As a
have
side effect.
jackets.
I barely have jackets. But the problem is, I got two of these electric.
Oh, shit.
Wait, before you
Two of these
go
electric.
forward. You got the first one, and
I
it
got,
wasn't working properly.
I got this first. To be honest, I didn't
Okay.
think this would come out. But
Alright,
then,
alright.
Is that for animals or that's also
no,
for...
this is also for. This looks nice. Look at this.
Nice.
It looks nice and sleek.
But the other one looks
Use it on your
better.
legs and
What the
all.
fuck are you talking about,
The other
dude?
one looks much better.
Look at this.
No, bro. the
It's
one-
unique.
The green is green.
It looks like a very
That's the
long
brand.
mouse.
You're like, hello, I bought this thing and it's not what I thought it was.
No,
Yeah,
he
it's
uses it as a
for
phone.
wool.
Hello, I actually bought it.
He's like, sir, आप 100 रुपए के लिए आ रहा है क्या?
So both of these are for woolen clothes.
This looks like a gigantic airport.
Dude, that's true. The old airport 1.
yeah.
Khali's AirPods.
So then I went back to Square One and I
Are
got
you beating
this.
your cat now?
Remove this. I beat him when he
He's
sheds.
like, I gave up on everything and started making ice cream.
Oh my god.
This
Okay,
is
it comes
good.
with a stand.
Yeah, no. So you remove this. Okay,
Yeah.
you do this
Yeah.
to whatever surface.
Yeah.
You put this in and hold this. You remove it, and it collects here. It collects all
Got it.
here.
And how do you remove the kachra from inside?
That I haven't figured
वो
out.
बाद में
yet.
देख लेंगे,
वो देख लेंगे अभी. उसका छोटा version भी आता है. I think this is a smaller cats. I don't know what this is for, but
I'm sorry, but I think we need an intervention for Govind here. This is
I don't think your
insane.
cat is shedding this much hair.
he sheds. He's a white cat. Okay, so on all surfaces it shows that he's shed.
Maybe you should just color
Oh, so
your
this doesn't come
dye
out,
your
you do
cat's
it like
hair.
this?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't try this.
Maybe
No, I
you
only
should
use this.
laminate the cat or something. I don't
Yeah.
know. This is crazy. You have like some 7 products all aimed at
Wait, how
getting
much
rid
is
of cat
this?
hair.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
No, it's 8 because I saw this ball. Okay, I saw this is no. This
What
is
the
this
fuck?
is just to have fun because this is a ball which is a lint roller.
Okay.
Look at this.
Okay, cool.
But
Nice,
again, I
nice.
think this is
Like a
also
sharpener.
for woolen clothes and not for cats.
Yeah.
What's the difference? How do you know which one's for cats, which one's
I
for?
think the cat hair is a little thicker. You're like cutting the cat's hair.
No, it's not. I don't use these on the cats, Jose. I use this.
Okay, after they shed.
Yeah, like, what if on the couch or something? Because the couch gets dirty, so I just roll this ball on the couch.
Fuck, that's a lot of shit. On
Yeah,
like, to-
and like it's fun though. The ball is fun. This is just for fun. All of this is useless. I use this the most.
What's the costliest from all these?
I think one of these, and these are not for cats. So
And it's unique.
it's unique.
Yeah.
You
because that's the
won-
brand.
it's unique.
branded.
It's unique. It's a one. But no, I use this on my rug and
Yeah.
it worked.
Okay.
But I think it's just removing stuff from the rug.
the rug,
yeah.
That's
So
wild.
yeah, this is for my one cat.
I feel like there's a possibility that there are other cats sneaking into your house and rolling around, and you're like, "What the fuck is this?" I need another
what a perfect! The other day a cat was outside my house.
I think your cat is having party when you're not home. He's inviting
There
other
was a
cat
cat.
friends.
I just heard a cat meow. I opened the door. There was a cat, and she just walked around for a bit. And then I
Yeah.
used this to remove.
The cat wasn't expecting you to be home, no.
The cat is like, तुम्हारा बाल गिर रहा है, इसके घर पे आ जाओ. Your सब gadgets है, yes,
सब के
everything.
लिए है भाई, सब cats के लिए उसका सब भरा. I have a vacuum cleaner also. A tiny one, you know, the
अच्छा, हाँ, हाँ.
handheld one. I bought that first to
Have you
remove.
defeated the problem yet?
No, no, because you know
Next
why?
thing is like connecting to the car and all. Like, zzz, okay, this just powering house, this fucking huge
no, because
industrial size.
the thing is, I'm still lazy. I still have to do it.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I don't do it. I mean,
That's
I-
crazy.
I still use this the most, and I think this makes it evident.
That's the best one, obviously.
This is the best one out of the lot. But yeah,
Amazing.
Great.
these are my products.
They have a whole department dedicated to just you.
Just me.
They're like, oh fuck, he's buying those things again. भेजो उसको, भेजो.
I think Amazon was also like, oh dude, इतना नहीं सोचा था यार. If you like this, buy this. Come, I literally.
They're importing more versions from China and all because they're like, hey, एक आदमी है वो मुंबई में वो 10 लिया.
अब बॉल भी खरीद लिया यार. ये पागल है. स्क्वायर बनाओ नेक्स्ट सब
Dude,
खरीद
the
लेंगे.
next delivery guy is gonna come like, are you running a shelter here?
Yeah.
Which thing works the best again?
I told you this one.
This
The
one,
white
right?
This works
Okay,
the
okay.
best, and on his cat tree, this works the best.
Okay.
Like the golden side
So,
wala.
that's your
very
actual
specific, just one
recommendation.
side.
Like
of
the
that.
most
Yeah.
basic ones
Yeah,
work
wow.
the best out of all of this. So
But
yeah.
there's nothing you can do for them in terms of shedding. They just shed.
No, they shed.
They shed.
They'll
They have
shed.
to shed.
And because it's a white cat again, it's just
Yeah,
all
yeah.
over and like it's a lot. So and I
beta
brush
carrot
him.
khao. You have your vegetables.
I brush him also. So matlab.
Oh, how many brushes do you have?
Why?
No, I have one brush.
Do you keep
Oh
it outside
shit,
the
good.
washroom or inside the washroom?
Dude, good idea. Now I need more brushes. Now I need more brushes.
No, you don't. You don't, Govind, no.
It's for my cat. See, that's how I justify it. I'm like, it's not for me. It's for my cat. This is a selfless act.
But it's more for you. you know
Why?
what?
Of course it's for me.
yeah.
Go to
But-
Go to Amazon, look for this, and you'll see people who have bought this have also,
Also
bought a
bought
brush.
this, yeah.
I've also bought a brush. If you didn't have a brush first, you bought this first. And then you're like, oh fuck, brush भी चाहिए था यार. Brush भी तो खरीदा.
Your real conversion of this converting this to reels because we have to post reels, man. Is you show this segment and then cut to you going to the Amazon guy saying, please, uske ghar pe mat jao. And he, please, वो है उसके पास. Cancel कर दो order.
मत भेजो भाई.
हमें और एपिसोड करने कुछ और खरीद नहीं पाएंगे हम. So I always believed I was a gamer, okay, and I had a PS4 for like 3-4 years and never used it. Okay. Then 1 year before the lockdown, when I was in 3rd year of college, I found this game called Destiny, and I got obsessed with that game. Started playing it, put in like 1500 hours. During the lockdown, when I could actually play the game, stopped playing it. Okay, because got very bored. Because at that time they had released the PlayStation 5.
Correct.
And in my head, like, I can't play on PS4 now. PS5 is so much better,
correct,
right?
Absolutely.
But as a gamer, I am a poser when it comes to gaming because I only play AAA games which are graphics are nice, right?
Got you.
Bought the PS5, so this is
Which is there. When I walked in, I was like, guys, does anybody know there's a PS5 on the chair?
We
over
just keep it out on the terrace.
here? And this was when वो नहीं मिल रहा था.
नहीं मिल रहा था. Yeah. So I bought it in
good
black.
condition.
It's in
You
good
bought it
condition
in
because it
black?
has not been used, Jose.
You bought it in black.
No, so Amazon, it was not the MRP when I bought
Correct,
it.
correct. वो थोड़ा
थोड़ा सा ऊपर था
था.
Amazon पे, but I couldn't justify paying that much money. But then I had just gotten a new credit card, right? And they're like, hey, you can get it on EMI and you only have to pay like 8K a month. I'm like, oh, that I can do. Because in my head, I'll just justify it by saying, ki, okay, when I go for a movie, it's 300 for 3 hours, or for an
Correct.
hour. So if
Yeah.
you look at it from that mathematic point of view, which is like
EMIs
boys'
always
maths,
look fantastic.
yes. So then I bought this. I'm like, okay, I'm going to play all the new gen games now. Okay. And I played one game.
Oh shit.
But then I couldn't afford games because I was paying EMI every month.
Fucking PS5 games are expensive, bro.
Like
I-
5-6K
Each
game.
Each.
So
It's
then
that expensive?
Yeah.
So then I went back to Destiny.
He's like, I can buy 1,000 cat fur things with the PS5
You have
ka
no
paisa.
clue. I can, my whole housing society, I can clean
Yeah.
all of their sofas. That's how many.
Everybody's house clean.
Plus, every woolen cloth clean because I have those lint rollers also.
Fuck.
So, but
So I got the PS5 and I played one new game which came with the PS5. But then went back to Destiny because I'd already bought it. But there are no PS5 specific features on Destiny. I could have continued playing it on my PS4
Yeah,
also.
or PC even. Yeah.
you
So,
don't need a PS5
I
at
did
all.
not need a PS5
By
at
the
all.
way, I've made 3 lines because that's how much dust
Yeah.
there
You wanna
is.
use your
But he
link?
said कि मैं use नहीं कर.
Which one? No, but
So are we selling it now or what's
I
happening?
mean, it is up. No, but now
away,
I
give
like,
best comment wins
Yeah.
this PS5. Come on, guys,
Now
give
it
it
just
your
looks
best.
cool next to my TV. So I just use it as a decor.
Hey, you'd made a reel about like you should keep
so,
it. Yeah.
That's what I
Yeah.
saw your reel and I had kept it in a vertical position, and then I saw your reel. You're like, no, put it horizontally because of cooling. So I put it horizontally.
Yeah.
But then I realized I'm not even turning it
Yeah.
on. So what's
So it's
changing?
fine.
Yeah.
So that cooling thing, there was that myth going around that the thermal paste
Thermal
that they
paste,
use.
yeah.
Oh, that was a myth.
Yeah.
So my reason was because I realized that in the bottom over there's one small spot, and if it was in your house, then your cat's fur is definitely going inside over there in these vents.
Oh,
it's like a housing
shit.
for the fur.
Should PS5 is
Yeah.
something I want to buy soon. So
Hey.
You'll have to
Talk
put it
to
in
me
a
after the
bubble or
podcast,
something.
bro. Let's discuss.
Are you though actually looking
are
to
you
sell?
actually looking to sell?
No, it looks cool next to my TV, so I want to keep it and now paid off all the
And
EMIs.
this is the OG disc version.
This is the
also,
OG
na?
disc version. I could have bought the digital version. I've never bought a single disc.
But see, that's good because otherwise you would have bought the digital version.
Yeah.
Then you would have bought your games digitally if you did.
Yeah.
And then you'd be stuck with them. So it's good you did this.
That's
But
true.
wait, yeah. Why do people keep saying that you should not get the digital one? You should
Because
get the.
what I've heard is you don't own
Own
the
it.
games forever. It's licensed to you. So once,
You're-
let's say they
okay.
decide
Ah.
to
It's
give
linked
the
to
games
your
off
account.
server. Yeah.
It's linked to your
Okay,
account. It's
okay,
not a
okay,
physical
okay.
disc.
Yeah.
Got
I
it,
mean,
got it.
you can buy that. तुमको करने का ही तो कर
हाँ,
सकता है.
हाँ.
But that is the. So
but
you-
do it if you
yeah.
actually play games.
Yeah. Also, PS5 games are like 5-6 grand each.
Dude.
Imagine you paid for the game, and back in the day they said that digital will be cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It's fucking more expensive.
They're more
sometimes.
expensive.
Yeah.
And they take it away also after a
Yeah.
while.
No, they don't take it away after a while, but
Linked
it's
to
a
your account.
possibility it could happen.
yeah, anything can happen. Like 10 years from now, the licenses expire and shit. They'll be like, so dear sir, you bought this for 6,000 rupees and now it is no longer available to you. It's happened. It's happened in some games. Maybe not on PS5, but so now imagine you bought it on disc,
Yeah.
and then if you're not playing, you can resell the disc.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I could have if
Dude,
I bought
But with
discs.
digital, you can't.
Dude, I play free games on my phone. Nothing happens.
Dude, I
That
also
is
play free games
least
only.
carbon footprint.
Yeah. You know what game I'm playing right now? Where you have to build roads. That's and like traffic ko handle karna. A lot of cars, so I just keep building flyovers.
nice.
You know what? The first game I played on the PS5 was because I didn't have a disc.
Yeah.
At the time on PlayStation Store, Goat Simulator was free.
Yeah.
I was playing.
Oh shit, dude! On my friend's
Goat Simulator.
PS5, I played Uno. I think that's all it takes to entertain
Uno,
me. I
man,
don't
sure.
need more. We played Uno, both
But
of us.
if you're not selling it, you should connect it back because there are a lot of free games also on PS5.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Dude, give it to me, man. I'll play.
No, but it looks nice next to my TV, and then I also
We can
have
do
a
an
dock.
exchange. 3 of those lint things for this.
I'll give you the ball thing. Take the ball thing. That's really fun to watch. Look at. You want that?
We can
Dude,
discuss
why are they
it.
selling the woolen cloth thing? If it's Bombay, why are they selling woolen cloth lint removers?
Because people
So
travel, no.
you should have read the comments. Did you check the reviews?
I never check reviews.
Very
I
bad.
never.
You must.
I never check
always-
reviews.
He's like, what?
Big rookie mistake. Yeah, you always have to check reviews.
No,
Yeah,
I never
always.
do. If I like the way.
That's why you're buying 2 of the same thing. Like all this.
You're not finding the solution.
I just look at the thing. I'm like, if it's affordable, I'm like, fucking great. I'll just take it. I don't check reviews ever, unless it's a phone. I mean, not a phone, but like an electronic gadget. Everything else, I don't check reviews for. I don't need it.
I
Like,
checked the reviews for my PlayStation. I said, please get it.
Ha!
It's great. I said, okay, I will get it.
He's like,
One
this
of
guy
the-
really enjoyed it. ठीक है,
one
मैंने
of the
5
reviews is like,
stars.
Hoshang, please get it. Like, fuck, this guy took my name and all, dude. I need to get this shit. Okay. Wow.
Yeah,
I
very
like
nice.
how mine is lint remover, his is toothbrush holder. Yours is PS5.
PS5. He's
Just
like, bro,
PS5.
कितने का लिया? आपका 200 में लिया वो? अच्छा, ये थोड़ा 70 के आसपास था.
Okay, I think you're gonna have to. Okay, there you go.
Wow.
Okay.
But this is blasphemy. Imagine someone watching this saying, "Fuck, he bought it when किसी को मिल भी नहीं रहा था वो time
Yeah,
पे."
and he's like,
मैं मेरे को
मैं तो नहीं खेलता. मैं तो नहीं खेलता. मैं गोट सिमुलेटर
I
खेलूंगा
wanted
इसमें.
to play, but I had the PS4 at the time. Like, I can't play on this old age console anymore.
Yeah. Once you can't go back.
You can't.
Can't go back.
But actually, I can because I'm playing the same game which I was playing on PS4.
You can go back.
I can.
Okay, what's your next? I
Yes,
want to
okay,
see
what's
because I've never seen this, so I'm very excited. Your algorithm is something else.
What's next?
Yeah, I'm gonna
What's
keep
next?
texting you for suggestions for the next episode.
So I knew you were into USB cables. I just knew it. So I brought this amazing piece of technology. I just got this a couple of days ago, actually. This is I don't need this at all.
What is it?
It's a USB cable with a switch on it. Bro, don't laugh. It's useful, okay?
I love it.
It's meant for the Raspberry
I
Pi.
am ordering it immediately after the podcast.
cool.
Wait, what is
Because I'm
the?
obsessed with cables.
Can I see this?
Of course, sir. Please.
What does the switch do again?
And,
You use a Raspberry Pi.
I was at one point, but this I was trying to use it for something else.
Oh, okay,
This
okay.
is made for the Raspberry Pi though.
Oh.
So it's just for starting and stopping your power. So you don't have to go to that reset button and on and off button on the Raspberry Pi.
shit,
Okay.
It's brilliant, bro.
dude.
It doesn't work for what I bought it for. But it's damn good.
Hey, listen, that's okay. My lint remover.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
okay. Once you
compared
bought
to
something.
your setup, this is amazing.
No. This is great.
I'm gonna use it to charge my controller, which I don't use.
It's damn good. And 175 rupees mein do.
What?
I have another one of these at home, which is of no use to me also. And right next to that is that box filled with USB cables.
Oh, why aren't
Normal
they in
USB
the
cables.
box?
Wow, guys, another giveaway, guys. On this episode.
Anybody interested?
No, wait. Why aren't they in the box? Don't they deserve to be in the box?
They will be. I just bought them, so I'm just
Oh.
airing them out.
Yeah.
I
Okay,
was
okay.
checking to see if they work. They work,
They
but
work.
not for what I bought them
It's
for.
okay. It's okay though.
Yeah, so a bit of a problem.
So, like, is there a process first? Like, they're outside the box for a while and then.
Yes.
Because he's just bought it, he wants to see them, he wants to have
They
them
look at the
around
other
a little
cables
bit,
in the
yeah.
box like that. Like,
How many? How many USB cables do you think you have?
Fuck, I have a lot. If you want to include it on the podcast, I'll send you a picture of it.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
Send us a picture. Here's a picture.
We were we were talking about how he has like these boxes and all.
Yeah.
I don't know what they call. I don't know why
The
I keep calling
IKEA
them
boxes.
Tupperware boxes.
Ah.
But imagine giant Tupperware boxes.
Yeah.
I have all my cables in there.
Do you like so?
So it's
When you
it's from
need
years
them.
of buying phones and changing phones and
So-
family made phones. So I always an extra cable.
When you
here,
need them, how do you find a specific? Like, are they divided
there. So you just
accordingly?
dip your hands in the box like that, you go, ऐसा करके, and then you just try to.
There's no
Ah,
smooth
ये
process to it.
yeah.
Oh, I thought it's divided. Ki
No,
Type C यहाँ, micro
I
USB
did that.
यहाँ.
I did that. So
yeah.
the first time you organize it, Type
It
C
looks
here.
beautiful.
Yeah, Type A. Then these are like some weird cables which don't fit into this
Yeah.
bracket, so you put those there. So the first time you organize them, everything looks amazing. Then when you need one cable,
Yeah, and
everything
it's
gets
at the bottom of the box.
Yeah. It's like that guy, the kachori wala. And then you're like, oh fuck, I can't reorganize this shit. So let's just leave it like that.
Oh,
Then on
I
intuition.
do it once a month. Every month I take out
Yeah.
my box. Like, okay, I'm gonna organize them today. What if I need them tomorrow? Never need them.
And I'm telling you, so then again, Instagram has permeated all our lives. You see that reel now where that guy says, dear men, all men have this problem. And then cut to that guy standing with his box filled with cables. So my wife saw that and she said, see, you're also doing the same shit. And it's been there for, I literally had these cables for like 7 years.
you're talking
Oh, you've been collecting for 7 years?
Yeah, I don't want to throw it out
Yeah,
because
fair.
they're functional, they work.
But
okay?
some of those cables won't work. I mean, are
Yeah,
not
also
needed
they're-
anymore, right?
They're not needed anymore.
Huh,
Yeah.
Because some are probably type A cables, which
Yeah,
we don't.
and
Yeah.
now it's all Type C.
Type C.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
As in not, unless you have some legacy or like old tablet or something that needs that micro USB and all.
Yeah.
Well, again,
You know
No,
what the
some
fun
things
part-
I do
need
have.
micro USB.
Yeah.
Some things.
what do you?
I think this
shit,
fan
yeah.
of mine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
needs
yeah.
micro USB.
This fan of mine is micro USB.
So you know what the fun part is, Jose? That the reason everybody is moving to Type C is to reduce the amount of cables
it's adding-
in the world.
bonkers.
Well,
bro.
you're reducing. I'll have 200 Type C cables. What are you going to do
you all
now?
reduce. No, we'll take all of those.
How have we not gone extinct as a species before this? I don't understand. It's everything that we do is fucking lunacy.
Dude,
It's lunacy.
that's what I was telling you, and it's a buying problem. It's also a hoarding problem.
It is a hoarding problem.
When
This
you
is
have
more,
a-
the cable thing is more of a hoarding
Hoarding problem,
for sure.
yeah.
I have to keep
But you're
all
buying.
the boxes also.
What boxes?
Whatever I buy.
Oh, dude, you know what I use the phone boxes and other
Huh.
boxes for? If I have to VFast someone something, or I just
useful. Yeah, that is useful.
shove it every time they get a new iPhone box. They're like, "How many iPhones do you have?" Dude, I'm like, "No, this is 7 years
If
back."
somebody ever tries to steal your box, oh, I'm gonna steal this iPhone, and they open and it's a soap. You flipped it.
Extra boxes that I have, I use it for the cables that are overflowing from the other boxes. So just stacking up more and more fucking boxes. So this one time I said, fuck, this is too much.
Uh-huh.
I saw the reel and I was like, I've crossed the line now.
Yeah.
So I started, put a big bag there, whatever extra kachra you have in your drawers and all, start cleaning it, throwing it out and all. I threw out like literally 50% of the shit that I had.
The wires.
But it seemed like I still had that much stuff only. And so then I said, fuck, this is it's not working. So I threw out a whole bunch of cables.
Okay.
I said, "Iska koi use nahi hai," I threw it
Yeah.
out. The next day I
You know
found
where that
I
box is,
needed
can I
one.
get it? I don't have any.
No,
the next day I needed one of those cables.
Oh, fuck.
I was like, fuck, abhi now kharidna padega. Now I have to buy that cable again. I was like, shit.
But did that
And
not
once-
excite you a little?
You,
Yes.
you can't buy one, you have to
Yes.
buy 100. You have to buy 100, you can't buy one.
So then after that incident, I said, fuck it. Now I don't care who says what. I'm going to hoard these cables because I know
One day.
there
will
it
be a
might
use
be
case
10
for
years
this.
from
Yes,
now.
Yes.
Might be
You'll
15
need
years from now.
it.
Yeah.
I love how any guest coming to your house, it's 3 boxes of cables. Baju mein there's this toothbrush.
I'm like, don't
Yeah.
keep your cables in the bathroom. वो dust आता है ऊपर से, वो खराब हो जाएगा. There are cables inside this thing, you know. Fucking shit.
Oh,
No, it's a fucking problem.
it's a great.
But bro, a USB cable with a switch
That's
on it.
Dude, this
fucking
is-
perfect. It's
Innovation
so
at its best.
Like,
I mean,
so what if I'm not using it? So
Yeah,
what?
good. You know what? It's good for fidgeting also. To be honest, I gave it back to you because I started fidgeting with it.
Yeah, don't ruin the switch.
yeah. That's why I gave
Stop
it back.
working and all.
That's why. Oh god, I feel like the comments are just gonna be like, guys, don't do a podcast. Go.
The comments are
get
gonna be,
help.
how old are you guys exactly? What's the average age on this podcast? Isn't that Jose guy in his 60s? What the fuck is happening? Oh shit.
yeah, doesn't he have a kid he has to take care of?
What is this USB cable with a fucking switch?
Okay, other.
I was
What
very
thing?
excited for this.
This is a
Jose,
great
there is.
product.
I love it.
How many brushes can fit in that one time?
4,
1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At
Wait,
least 12.
what? Wait,
Yeah,
what?
easily,
12?
bro.
How?
See na?
I mean, if
Oh.
you're okay with the brush mouth touching each other. Is it तुम्हारा brush मेरा brush नहीं है?
Poop particles नहीं रहेंगे मगर
what?
तुम्हारा सलाइवा मेरा सलाइवा सब एक साथ वो
What
ठीक
if you
है
can go in there? Yeah? Oh, I just realized this is for gargling.
Exactly. I was gonna ask you, is that for gargling? That
Like,
is.
these guys are brilliant.
So
They're
that you have
keeping
to
the
gargle
dust out.
outside the washroom.
एक सेकंड रुको मैं बंद मत करो. Fuck.
Okay.
Okay, any other
Excited.
products, Jose?
I do have many other products, but I'm saving the best for last, sir. What do I have? Don't look. Oh,
Okay.
I do. I'll let you guys bring your next one, or you're not done.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
You're not done.
I got 8 things out,
Yeah.
Jose. yaar.
Noobs, amateur. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
This is fucking brilliant. This is peak lockdown time. Do you know
Hey,
what
this
this
is a lighter.
No.
Wait, what?
Pakde gaye. This is how you catch people. You say, hey, do you smoke? You're like, what? Smoke what? What do you mean? No. He's like, what's this? It's a lighter. No.
No, I meant
Gas
the
lighter.
stub wala.
Yeah.
Ah, gas
No,
wala lighter.
you're wrong, sir. You are also wrong. What do you think this is?
I don't know, something to do with exercise?
I'm sure people exercise and
Yeah, I
me, sir,
don't
is
know,
that,
like you-
are you mocking me? But
It's a walking stick that elongates.
it's a walking stick for cats. No.
Walking stick for cats?
It's a walking stick for cats.
I think we all fucking went crazy during this lockdown.
Lockdown,
shit,
Yeah,
nah,
yeah.
yeah. No, I was broke, so I couldn't go too crazy also. So yeah. But what is this?
So I was like, fuck. Coconut water is great.
Oh,
Yeah, he's figured it out. It's actually quite brilliant.
Yes,
okay?
yes,
But
yes,
there is
yes.
an issue with this also.
Okay.
Okay.
See, when I review things, I spend 1 year with it and then I review it.
You spent
Imagine,
a year.
imagine I'm like, hi guys, I've had this for 1 year now and I'd like to tell you the pros and cons.
It's actually.
I know,
Yeah,
video
like, Jose, lockdown is over. Come on.
So this is that thing you stick into
Yes.
the fucking coconut, you stab the coconut like that.
Oh my.
Yes,
Okay,
I know
then you
this.
take this bit, you put it on there,
It's a straw.
and you
Oh,
go
no.
boom like that.
Okay.
It breaks through that final shell of the coconut,
Ah.
and then you can take this whole thing out, stick a straw in it, and drink from the
Dude,
coconut. What's
Dude,
up?
this
It's
is...
amazing.
Thank you,
okay,
please, baith
nice.
jaiye, baith jaiye. It is actually pretty
Dude,
cool.
this is very. Can I? Like, is it
Yeah.
that strong?
It's very strong, yeah.
Because
And see, it's got a
coconuts-
little bit of a sharp edge
Yeah,
there. So
yeah,
you,
yeah.
So you push it and you
push
turn
it in
yeah,
and you
yeah.
turn it. Oh my god!
The coconut,
How did you even find this?
I saw this somewhere. I don't know where I saw this, but I was like, fuck, I must have that. Because can you imagine me trying to cut a coconut like that? Take me to the ER now. I've lost all my fingers.
How am I going to brush now?
Why did you keep chopping? I don't know.
Dude, this is great. Like,
And it's very easy to use also. So you would think like, oh fuck, these coconuts and all, they're so strong. They're
Yeah.
not that strong. You stick that shit inside, turn it inside.
Loser coconuts.
Fucking take that shit, go boom like that, and you're done. And not even a drop spilled.
Dude,
That's the
that's
wildest part.
this, you know what's missing? If this also had a straw, that would have been so fucking good. Just one thing.
In the review, hi, this is a great product, but what about a straw?
Or
Yeah,
like
my
a funnel so that he can pour it into this glass.
Yeah, but
That's-
the hole is just that big once you do that.
Oh,
Okay.
Do you have to do it
So
2-3 times?
This is a full "That's what she said" segment. Like someone in the comments, he's like 436. All that's what she said.
Do you have to do it 2-3 times?
No, just once.
Okay.
Just once. I mean,
Okay,
if you
eh,
manage to
dude,
break through
the next
shell.
time I buy coconut water from outside, I'm gonna be like, ruko.
James,
man."
back
yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like, whoa, what is that? No, but the problem with this,
Yeah.
okay, is that I don't know if I'm right or not. Let me just check. I'll check right now. So
Okay.
I feel like this has a chance of rusting.
Oh,
'Cause
how
it's
long
metal,
has it
right?
been?
Oh fuck, it's not rusted. what a great product. Let me
con
just
is over,
quickly give
the
it
con is
5
gone.
stars.
This is after your 1 year long wait.
Hey, dude, that's a great thing to buy these things and then be like, I've tested this for one, it didn't rust.
It really didn't rust.
That's the whole reel. It rusts.
Yeah, you should release a teaser of the review a year in advance. Like,
Yeah.
guys, see you next year.
What do you think? Will it rust?
Will
Let me
it
know in the
rust?
comments.
Or will it-
Oh shit, this is better than I thought it was.
This is
Oh,
a great
this is
product.
actually very
This
cool.
is-
Yeah.
I think I like this more than the USB cable.
Yeah,
On and off.
more use also.
Yeah.
I was like, Ghar pe I said, please stop using this. I think it might be rusting, so I don't have rusty coconut water, please.
How is it expensive?
No, this is like 90 rupees.
What do you?
Wow.
No way.
Best
You
product.
at home.
Best product. Best
Hands
product.
down
for
best
sure.
product.
Yes.
I don't drink coconut water much, but I'll start if I have this.
I know, and now I feel like I should start drinking coconut water again.
How long have you had this?
Fuck, this has been with us for like since lockdown time.
How many?
4
But
years.
that's a great review, right? It's not rusted. I'm surprised. Why did I think it rusted though? Maybe I looked at something else and said, "Fuck, it's rusted." Brilliant, brilliant.
Because it's
brilliant.
iron and oxygen, so your go-to
yeah,
thing
yeah,
will
I
be
felt like,
it's probably
but
gonna
I think
rust.
it is steel. I don't know.
It's great for 90
It's brilliant.
rupees.
For
No
90,
rust.
so this is very
I
good.
You
love
know what's
this.
crazy? There's a cheaper version also. You know how you look and it's this same product for cheaper.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like
I
no,
was
this is
like-
probably not that good.
I was like 90 में मिल रहा है. It says और सस्ता.
और
We'll be
सस्ता
totally
कितना?
fucked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get the expensive one.
yeah, the cheaper ones probably come with the rust.
Yeah.
Cheaper ones are like-
pre-rusted.
Cheaper ones are like 3-4 बार करो. एक बार में नहीं होता है ये वाला थोड़ा.
I would like to gift this to you guys.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much,
Do you have
man.
more at home?
No sir.
Okay.
Guys, we got a third giveaway on this episode.
Oh shit!
Do you
wow.
want a
He broke
PS5?
it. I
He
didn't
broke
I
it.
didn't break
He
it.
just broke it.
I didn't.
That's just
This
that's-
just flew away.
I
Sir,
thought that was the straw.
It can't break, sir.
Yeah, I thought this was a straw.
Yeah, I thought that was a
That's
straw.
not a
This is great. I love this.
Brilliant.
I'll give it to
When
my
I
cat.
get home, my wife will be like, "Where's that thing?"
that we've had for 4 years.
I put 7 things in the bag, and you came back with 6.
Don't worry, we
No,
still
useless.
have 500 USB cables. Don't worry, that's still there.
It can also
That's
work as a
great.
cane for a very small you.
yeah, no, he said a cat. It's
No,
a
it's brilliant.
for a walking stick for a cat.
Yeah.
It actually is.
Should I put it on Myra?
Yeah, she is missing. Yeah.
Oh yeah, his cat has 3 legs. That's it. So this is perfect for Myra.
But I feel like this will be insanely useful to even these guys who are selling coconuts, like
Yes.
street vendors
It
Yeah.
and stuff.
actually
Yeah.
will be. I feel
Imagine-
like they just keep slicing.
I think you should give it to them, not us.
Somewhere there's a coconut vendor he's ostracized by his own guys because like तेरे को काटने को नहीं आता है. And he's like, yeah, I don't have the skill yet.
Well,
Ta-da!
you can just. It looks very aggressive. I'm sure when you're
It does-
trying to.
It looks damn weird.
Yeah.
It looks like you're murdering the coconut.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
And imagine the guy who's cutting it looks like he's doing like a
Ah,
normal
okay,
thing.
it
but
looks
this is
Damn cool.
Juice. And then putting this on
you gotta
top.
do a twist also. Look at the edges on the bottom. You have to do that twist for it to breach the last
Yeah.
layer.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes.
Hey, wait,
shit,
is there
sharp.
rust?
No, there's no rust. It's just
That's
Great.
exactly how I was looking at it a couple
Yeah,
of years.
yeah, yeah,
Wait,
yeah.
is there rust? And now I'm like, oh, there isn't.
Nice. Love this.
I'm actually
Okay.
going to go and review this shit and say,
Yeah,
bro,
yeah.
I thought it was rusting, but it's not rusting. Fucking
4
great
years.
product.
4 years.
gonna
it didn't
change my
rust.
stars to 5 now.
Super.
But okay, no, it's good. Okay,
Oh, this is
nice.
damn useful, dude.
Nice.
Great. You have
Okay.
more, Jose?
I do, and this is the most shameful one.
Okay.
But also the one I love the
Gonna
most.
be my most favorite
yes.
one.
Okay.
So you want to adjust the frame and all this will require some setup.
Okay.
Oh.
Let's see what it is then.
Sure.
Honestly.
Don't ask me why and stuff.
Is it a Walkman?
Just enjoy it. No, it's not a Walkman. Just 1 minute, sir.
Oh, it's a portable PA system, like private public announcement.
10
system.
crore.
Yeah.
Aap sahi ho.
Correct.
1 minute. We might
Wait,
get
you
on
used
the
to work at
radio
a call center? What is this?
first.
You'll have
No,
to
this is damn cool. Like I've taken.
I'll come there. I'll come
I
there.
once
Yeah,
took a horror tour around Edinburgh, and the guy was using this.
Hello.
Oh.
Yeah.
Antarish has just been flexing on this
Yeah.
podcast.
So I was
Singapore, Edinburgh.
You know the Martians really like it when I.
Check. क्यों नहीं चल रहा है? Hello.
Wait, is this a divide how they call Jadoo?
What?
What?
Hello.
No, you
Hello.
have a completely different idea of what this is.
Fuck, I have
I think-
forgotten how to. Oh, I plugged in the wrong spot. Sorry about that, guys.
That's what she said. Sorry.
Oh.
Hello.
Oh shit!
हेलो, गाड़ी नंबर 302. ये क्या कर रहे हैं आप मेरा बिल्डिंग के सामने? सॉरी मैडम, मैं आपको सिटी नहीं बता. Oh fuck. Sorry. This is amazing.
Dude, this is not the most shameful one. This is the best one.
So you can
You can just walk
be
around.
like, where's that sound coming from? From my crotch. Let's just put it here. Belt clip. Hello.
And you can change the voice also in this?
I think so. Yeah, they might have some features.
Oh
like that.
shit! Like different voices.
The robots are here. Hello.
Dude, this is.
Bacho, shut up. Stop talking now.
Oh man.
Oh my God, I have so many questions.
Does it get louder or?
It is actually pretty loud. Check. So they use this for like classes and all, right?
Oh,
Sometimes the
dude.
classroom is really loud.
It's too big. Yeah. Dude, I love this. This is not the most shameful
Okay,
one at all. This is the best
please
one.
Run me through your thought process when you saw this. What
Okay.
did you think the use case was gonna be, and how much have you used this?
So the
since?
thought process was mostly, wow, what is that? You must have it. It's so stupid.
How long ago did you buy this?
Fuck, this is damn old now. This is like 2017 or 18.
Okay.
Still working. All my shit
Is there
still working.
rust?
That's amazing. No, there doesn't seem to be rust.
There's no rust. Wow.
And when you're done telling people where to park their cars and all, you can listen to radio.
Oh, bro, this man.
You can also record. It takes an SD card. There's an SD card.
There's an
slot.
SD
There's
card
an
port?
SD card port.
Oh, you can use one of your USB Type A cables
Yeah.
here.
Have you?
That's why I kept this so I could use those cables.
Have you used
Hello,
this?
In what setting?
Any setting? Any setting?
No, I haven't used this like properly, but I want to. I wanted to go outside and be like, "Hey, Laudu, kya kar rahe ho?" Suddenly, someone's like driving and like, "One way pe kya kar rahe ho, madachod?"
It's so, dude. This is so great for road rage.
This is so
like,
good.
You cut
Yeah, you
someone.
don't have to scream, but you're still screaming.
You cut someone and they बाजू में, and then you just wear this. You're like, एक मिनट.
क्या
एक
देख रहे हो?
मिनट.
हाँ? नहीं दिख रहा one way.
Dude, this is the best.
This is so
product.
passive aggressive without being passive
Yeah,
aggressive.
they feel like, यार ये क्या ready रहता है क्या to road rage?
Authority also, they're like, why would a normal person have this? He must be working with the police. It's got to be like
Yeah, there's
RTO
no
or
way
something.
regular people can just buy this.
Yeah. Stupid shit.
I like how the
What do these
like
buttons
this.
do?
Oh yeah.
This is all recording presets for your radio.
For your radio. I haven't heard that sentence in 10
Yeah.
years.
In case you want to listen to radio. Charging,
In
headphones.
between your class, you can
It
just
uses these giant rechargeable batteries. Fuck.
what AA batteries.
No. They're not any kind of batteries you normally use. Shit. Not opening. It's that sturdy, the product. Maro isko aisa. But bro, imagine the use cases for this, bro.
I am trying to imagine, honestly, can't think of one.
No, I can. No, the road rage one is the
Road rage
best.
one makes more sense, yes.
Because like wearing this and being like
कौन
क्या
बना?
बे लाउडू.
पता नहीं किसने बोला. I mean, क्या? कुछ नहीं.
While you still have this over you. कि तू ही बोल रहा है.
If it changes your voice also, then this is perfect.
Let me just see, sir, if I have that feature. 1 minute mode. Hello. Oh fuck. Switch to radio.
Is that the radio?
You can just have a party like
You
that.
can.
The people you've caught who are going down the one way, like, भाई साहब आपको नाचने का है? He's like, fuck, this is very confusing. That guy just shouted at me. Now we're all dancing on the road. So I don't think the voice changer feature is there. So maybe in an updated
In an
version.
updated version.
Yeah.
It comes with Type C
See,
and not Type A.
it's been 7 years, right, since you bought this.
Yeah, this
Maybe
is
there
pretty
is an update. Have you checked if there's?
I will be
I think it's
checking
time.
tonight when
It's
I
time,
get
I
back.
It's
think.
time. It's time to get
When
another
it
one.
comes the next time, please bring the updated version.
So-
I'm gonna buy this shit. I don't know for what, but I'll buy this shit.
I think this is used by like tour guides and shit.
Oh.
So like you have these people who are taking you around, say, oh, देखो Amitabh Bachchan का घर and all.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah.
On a tour bus and all.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah,
So
yeah.
you can just enter a tour bus, compete with that guy.
Yeah.
ये अमिताभ का घर है, ये दूसरे साइड ये वाला बंगलो है. Like, आप कौन हो
We'll
सर?
be doing algebra in the bus.
And when the tour guide is being boring, you can just start the radio and everybody's dancing.
Man, cool. This is. I love it.
Love this product.
Extremely
You've had
stupid,
the coolest products
Thank you,
because I got 8 lint rollers.
Yeah.
So-
My thing, nothing in front of
You're
you.
more about function. I'm more about what.
No,
Wow.
Nice. So this was the best product.
Interesting.
Okay. That was the last product
That was my last product.
And the best one.
and the best one.
The best one.
Loved
Thank
it.
you, thank
So now we move on to the next segment. Transition. Do we have a transition yet?
Yeah, we'll get on.
Okay. Okay. Now we have this segment where we tell each other what's on our wish list. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll start.
Yes, go and please go ahead and explain this.
So on my wish list is you know those smart riding suitcases where the scooty
Oh,
ones.
yeah,
Dude,
those are mad cool.
I
Yeah.
really want. I'll tell you why I wanted this. Last month I traveled for like every weekend I traveled. And that's it. I haven't traveled this month at all. Nothing.
before that.
All before that. For a year, I didn't travel. 1 month I traveled. I was like, you know what? I think I need a
I
better
need this
suitcase.
for that one time. I will be traveling.
For that one time, I will
But
be
those are
traveling.
mad cool. I love
Dude,
watching
this
those videos
one.
if you learn.
But this one.
At least for a video.
Can you move? Yeah.
Oh,
It
shit,
looks
this is
damn
available.
nice. And it's only
Fucking
82,000.
$82,000. You can buy a real bike, bro. Oh, shit.
That's actually true. You can buy an e-bike.
Yeah.
82
But you can't
grand.
ride
Why?
it inside the airport, no?
That's a good
Yeah.
point. But I can ride it anywhere outside
Yeah.
the airport. Anywhere.
Also, outside of Bombay airport in India, where you gonna ride it?
Other airports, Hyderabad
It's at this
airport.
small.
No, Hyderabad airport is huge. Bangalore airport is huge.
Kolkata airport is huge.
Delhi airport is huge.
Shit, I haven't
Actually, a
traveled, I
lot of
guess.
our airports are
It's
insanely
they're
huge.
very, yeah, they're
Okay, I
very
guess.
big. They're very big. Chennai
Yeah,
is also big, but like not too big. I don't know about it, but I can do it
You.
at those
Bro,
airports.
Imagine Bengaluru, you're on this thing. It's like going through the jungle with all that decor that they've done. You're like, oh,
Oh,
wow,
dude, that new
yeah.
Bangalore terminal, no, that is.
Easy. It's a trip.
It'll fit in because that airport is insane. So
That's
people,
so cool.
You know
no,
what you
but the
should
thing
do?
is, I've never seen anyone use this.
Yeah.
I know.
Properly, like in real life. It's
Yeah,
all
in
the
real
reels.
life. Yeah. Have you seen anyone?
I've never seen anybody.
You know what
Yeah.
you should do though? Get this scooter and get that recorder.
Auto.
Side.
What is
Oh,
it? Electric though?
Yeah, this one is a smart riding. So I
Imagine
had
looking
another
for a
one.
Petrol station.
I had.
Hello, भाई साहब थोड़ा एक लीटर प्लीज
हाँ, क्योंकि फिर 15 kg से ज्यादा हो रहा है तो आगे अलाउ नहीं
Dude,
करेंगे।
imagine going to the petrol pump and they like गाड़ी का ये खोलो like गाड़ी नहीं सर एक सेकंड बूट खोल रहा हूँ ये सूटकेस में पेट्रोल भर रहा है थोड़ा सा. So I had another smart riding suitcase. I can't find it right now. That one said like 5 things in one and all. They never mentioned what the
You like
5 things
compare
were.
these two items.
Yeah. Next time I'll
Govind,
compare.
you should really look at the reviews because this has a 3-star rating. Okay, with 4.
Some
Arey,
people are
but-
not happy.
Oh yeah,
totally.
that's true. See, I told you I never look at the reviews, man.
You
What's-
always have to read the reviews, bro. What is this?
Yeah, what are the reviews? Can you read some?
And you're the host
Where
of
are the
Spender
reviews?
Vendor.
I don't know how to find
You
it.
doesn't
Just
even
scroll.
know.
Just scroll. Keep
Oh,
scrolling.
okay, not bad. Nice product.
Nice product. Satisfy with the Air Express bag.
No, but you have to also be careful. Sometimes they say, I will give you 150 rupees off if you leave a good review and all.
See, that's why I don't.
Iske liye
Yeah,
nahi
but this
rahega.
is an Amazon customer. It doesn't say the name.
Ah.
But if you go down, which is Akshalal Bathe,
Verified
it's 1
purchase.
star.
Ah.
Too
It's
heavy.
Too heavy. Yeah, because there's an engine inside the
Yeah.
fucking suitcase.
There's petrol, dude. There's petrol
She's like,
inside.
मैं Western Express highway पे अटक गया था ये. They're like, ma'am, you're not supposed to use it on the road. There's only airport.
मैं traffic में अटक गया.
Oh, bro, hilarious.
And the next review is it's very lightweight. So who do I believe? See, that's why I don't check reviews.
yeah. Now,
It's
then now
very conflicting.
from here you have to go to YouTube now. This bag issues problems.
Oh, that I do, by the way. I see YouTube reviews, but that's after buying. After buying, I
that's
check.
very bad. Very bad.
After buying, I
do it
check.
before.
No, because I'm waiting for it to come, right? So
Acha,
I'm just
haan.
like, oh fuck, dude, I want to see
How cool
what
it's gonna be, what I can do with
I
it.
want to see what
Yeah,
white people
yeah.
are saying
And in the
about
YouTube
this.
video, they're like, this is a fuck all product.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, oh,
Can I
fuck.
cancel it now?
I always see what white people are saying about it. I don't know what this obsession. It's some colonial hangover. I like seeing white people.
I don't think Indian people would buy this. It's too idiotic. And the 82 grand, to no chance.
There's no
way.
way.
Dude,
People
so-
bought it. That's what I'm saying.
But
Fuck.
it could be US people also leaving reviews here. That's also possible.
Wait, you mean US people like Akshalal Bathe?
But is this a question I want to ask? Is this check-in baggage or is it luggage?
Oh shit! Wait, that's a good.
How big is it?
Man, I only know about the other one because that boarding allowed.
Oh,
Okay.
Boarding allowed. You
Excuse
can
me.
walk into the plane.
Hi, excuse me, मेरा bike पर. It's like mother
and do
shirt,
you ride
bike
it inside
लेके.
the plane also while you're on your way to the seat?
Seat 26C.
All these people standing, मैं जरा बैठ जाता हूँ.
26C car, 26C just on your
Ah.
bike, revving. Vim, vim. Do you? I don't think it revs.
But
But
very
okay.
eclectic taste, I must say. You gone
Yeah.
straight for the e-bike suitcase. From like lint rollers to like, bro, I need an e-bike suitcase.
That's why it's on the wish list. I haven't bought it yet.
Fair, fair.
Okay, Hoshang, what's yours?
Yeah. So it's still connected to my PlayStation. So when I
Okay.
bought the PlayStation, I got it, and then I realized my TV doesn't support 4K.
Oh shit! Yeah. That's the thing. That's
so
the
then
thing.
I got a new TV which supports 4K and HDMI 2.1.
Just to not play, by the way.
Just to
But
not
yeah.
play.
Not play.
But then the cable which comes with PlayStation is not HDMI 2.1.
Oh shit!
So you have to get a separate cable which supports HDMI
Oh.
2.1. I got that also.
Okay.
Then
You played Goat Simulator.
played Goat Simulator.
Yeah.
but the sound wasn't as great.
Oh
So then I
shit!
got a sound bar.
And he's like finding all these things out as he goes along. He's like, "Fuck! I bought. God damn it! Again!
New
Yeah.
problem.
That's why you need to watch YouTube videos before you
Yeah,
order
like
stuff.
for a week
Yes.
and read the comments and all. This guy had the same problem. Fuck.
Fuck.
So
So,
now, a few days ago, as I mentioned earlier, there's this game Destiny. I used to
Yeah.
play a lot back in the day. I put in around 1900 hours into that game since 2018.
Wow.
Only the times when I had other things to do, not in the lockdown when I could have actually
When you
played.
could have actually
Yeah. So now they've announced a new update to the game, and
Yeah,
I'm thinking
yeah.
of getting back into it. But I don't have headphones.
So you have those headphones in your wish.
So, and they don't connect to your regular Bluetooth headphones. You,
You
have to
need
buy
the-
the
you
Sony,
need the Pulse,
Pulse. So,
oh really?
yes.
So
And why
PlayStation.
the Pulse? I thought, why not get the Portal also? Because what if I want to sit outside and play?
If you want to sit 5 meters away from your PlayStation,
My
Do you
business-
have the portal? Have
I
you
don't
thought
have the
about
portal because you can do what the portal does
on your iPad also?
on your you can do it with any other screen.
Yeah.
The thing with the portal is it has that side thing. I feel like it's
Yes.
overkill. Let's say. And if you have your TV right there,
But
that guy needs the suitcase bike.
Yeah.
He's on the suitcase. It took a liya.
but now imagine, Jose, if your controller is out of battery, right? And you need to play.
But you have 3 boxes of USB-C
USB to
cables.
charge
How would
it.
I want to play
No,
in
no, no,
that
no.
very moment?
Fair.
Fair,
Right?
fair.
And I'm in the other room
Yeah,
where
yeah.
my TV is on. I want to continue watching TV also while playing. So I have been contemplating
Uh-huh.
if I should get a Portal and the Pulse because I can't connect other
Hey, this-
headphones to the Pulse.
This
But
is
you
a
can-
limited
It's-
time deal.
Exactly, that's why.
But that's the previous version.
what?
There's a new Pulse Elite.
There's a
out.
new Pulse?
Ah shit.
Yeah. But these are fantastic also,
Oh.
by the way. Yeah. So
You
unless
have the pulse?
I don't have either of them
Okay.
because I'm not
I mean-
insane. but no, I found a pair of headphones that does work with the PS5.
The wireless ones?
Wireless.
Oh,
the
which?
Logitech G733s, which you might get for a good deal also.
But
if you can get the Pulse for your PS5, better to get that rather than this because Sony blocks out everything else other than these specific headsets to work with it, right?
Ah.
Like you can use a Blue Yeti on your PS5
Ah.
as a mic and it works fantastically well.
Will I be able to watch Netflix properly on it? Because I can't afford to buy games once I get this.
I think
Yeah, you
Uno's
can, yeah.
free. I'll play Uno
And
with
there's a
you.
truck simulator also out
That's
now.
great.
Yeah.
There's
Simulators.
YouTube also. I mean,
So I've been thinking
yeah. So that's
of
the older
buying.
version. Yeah.
I had no idea.
But that's a good deal, right now.
Yeah.
This version is a good deal.
Dude, the limited time
I
deal.
should get it right because I'm gonna
It's a
start playing
limited time
Destiny.
deal, dude.
I thought this podcast was about helping people. They're like, you should ये लेना चाहिए. What kind of deal है भाई? He's like, fuck yeah, I'll do it.
No
Yeah,
one's
this was
helping.
6K.
We're not helping people
We're
get over.
enablers.
Yeah.
Enabling people.
This entire podcast is about enabling each other.
Completely
And
enabling
I
it.
think the portal you can also use, like if you're in another country also
Yeah.
over Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So you need a good internet connection on this side
Yeah.
and on that side.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, so when
Then you're buying airplane tickets just so you can go somewhere else.
so I was using my PS5 through the Wi-Fi, right? But it's not stable enough. And the Wi-Fi ka router was in the other room, so I had to pay extra to get it in my room so I can connect it to the Ethernet cable.
babies.
Oh
Yeah,
my
yeah, yeah.
god,
So
dude,
your
you
PS
did so much.
The PS5 has to be on the LAN and the
Yeah.
other device has to be on the same Wi-Fi
Correct.
network.
So I've reached the LAN part.
Now
I
the
have
rest.
Great
Now the
connection.
rest of it.
I got gigabyte connection also, just so that there's no lag while playing. But then I stopped playing, and it's not even like one of those situations where you're too busy to play.
You're just
I'm
not
a
feeling
work
it.
from home freelancer. I can play whenever I want.
Oh man. Okay, do you have something
I do
on your
have
wish
some
list?
things. I had some PlayStation games on here, but that I was using the wish list thing as a just as like a save this for later.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
Um,
always my cart is that.
Ah.
Like my cart is my wish list, and then I see my cart, and it says 5 lakhs.
Yeah, I'm
more-
scared I might hit buy now over there, so
Yeah.
that's why I'm using the wish list area.
That's why you do
Makes sense.
COD.
We're all like one level lower, and then the highest level is he's like, bro, COD. So, I was enjoying collecting figurines and all. Then I had a kid, and I realized I should stop and save that money. So some of these are still there. I found this really nice, very nice Spider-Man.
Oh,
my
dude.
Yeah,
God, that looks
the iron
sick.
suit. With
Yes,
the iron
yes.
Yeah.
Dude, that looks
Oh,
great.
actually, the
So
only
you
game
did-
I've ever
yeah.
bought was
It's Spider-Man, yeah, 2.
Oh,
Because
it's great on the
I saw it on
PS5.
your story. It's available right here on Sayonara Toy.
Yeah,
I can just walk in by.
I pick up all my shit from Sayonara also. High five, Sayonara brothers.
Dude, perfect.
Konnichiwa.
Sponsor us now.
I feel like
Oh,
you've
no, he's damn
enabled
good.
him a lot
Yeah.
without even knowing ever.
Now Sayonara's in his head. He's like, fuck, I gotta go check Sayonara.
Another reason why Hoshang's mother hates you.
Yeah.
Please don't tell your mom about this.
She actually was gonna come today to meet me. I'm like, no, come tomorrow.
She's like that.
I've got another laptop. I've got 2 new laptops.
She's watching this podcast. Is it that same fucker?
From 10 years
And
ago.
again, he's telling him to buy things.
You just told me there's a better one available which I can buy.
That's true.
Fuck, this is actually damn good. 2,321 rupees.
That's
Dude,
Spider-Man
that-
figurine?
and it's a really good quality one. I'll send you all screenings.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah,
you
yeah,
should
yeah.
absolutely get
That
it.
too, for sure.
Hey, don't
We'll
say
keep
that.
it
He's like,
here.
I think you should absolutely get it. Fuck no! Stop
Get it, get it.
Yeah.
We are
Maybe
gonna
he's forcing me.
If you end up getting it, send us a picture.
Yeah,
So
we're
we
gonna
can
get
put it-
one. Keep it here. We'll keep adding every episode.
then
We should do that.
Yeah. Next.
So I've been obsessed with RoboCop my whole life because I
Oh,
mean
sick.
I also wanted to die and then be
Come back as a
resurrected
RoboCop.
as someone who can stop people from going down the one way. Dead or alive, can't do idhar mata.
I mean,
You
you're
don't need-
almost on the way.
Yeah.
I'm halfway there.
You don't need that
Now
after
just rest
that.
of the body. So fuck, look at this, bro. The brains will explode.
Sure.
This is the ED209. Is that what he's called? Fuck. True RoboCop fan here. I've forgotten what this fucker's called, but
Oh, the enemy, the villain robot.
Wait, how much is it?
13.
Oh, I saw 3,000. Okay, that's fine. It's 13?
13,000 baby because it has the batteries and it goes.
Wait, how big is it?
It's pretty big. It's actually about this big.
Oh,
What
okay,
the
then
fuck?
it's worth
Okay, yeah. Then it's worth it. Then
That
it's
is
worth it.
absolutely worth it.
Yeah,
Dude,
but I
that-
can't justify it. That's the problem.
There's no way
so I
you
have to
can
just look at
justify.
it like wistfully in my phone and then go to the YouTube video to see some old guy in America playing with it. He's like, I'm 73 and I bought this. I'm like, oh, that's me. Fuck.
So how I spend money sometimes is, let's say I have found a new obsession and I have a project going on, but if I surprisingly get another project in the same week, which I was not expecting and I
You're
hadn't
like, yeah,
accounted
flush.
for,
Fucking
then I go,
free
this
money.
is free money.
Free money. Free money.
You're like, ajao.
But I guess you can't do it after you have a family to take
Yeah, I
care
guess
of.
not. I guess not.
Like, baby, you paid our child's fees. Have you seen this Robocop thing?
Send your daughter with the robot.
Yeah. So then I have some keyboards and shit. I don't know why I have this in my wish list, but it says Power Gear polarized handy plug.
Huh?
I think I know.
What-
Oh, I know what,
what
this
is that?
I know what this is.
I think I know.
What is that?
It's just a plug. It's not a butt plug or anything. It's a plug. Easy to install, 2-prong, convert light bulb to outlet socket adapter.
Oh.
So in my balcony, I have this light bulb socket there.
Socket.
And I have my 3D printers right there.
Uh-huh.
So I wanted to power it using that instead of running a wire from there.
Oh,
from the
shit.
room here, this, that.
Oh,
So
so
you're
you
a
can
cable
do
management
that.
guy.
I am a cable management
Yes.
guy. I have 4 boxes of USB-C cables. I don't know if I've mentioned
Oh
it.
no, I don't think you did. Can you? It keeps increasing. It started with 2 boxes, by the way.
No, so
It's
the-
1,500. That's not bad at all.
Yeah. But then I found out that this doesn't have grounding and all.
Aye.
So I didn't want to mess with it. So
No,
I
wear
gave
chappal
every time
Every
my
time.
chappals are okay. But that's a cool product. I
It's
want
a
It's
to
a
very
very
cool
cool
product.
product. But I think my favorite is still the Robocop one.
The Robocop one was
Dude,
so
it's gonna
good.
look so cool.
The most expensive one. We're like, yeah, that one is good,
13
no?
utna bhi nahi hai na. I mean, I feel like
that's good, no? Yaar,
It's
13,000.
quarter of a brand deal.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. This
वो भी ठीक है. मेरा 82,000 वाला सूटकेस भी ठीक है. इसका
नहीं, वो ठीक नहीं है एक्चुअली. वो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है भाई.
कभी तो ट्रैवल करूंगा ना मैं
अबे
वापस.
इधर ले ले यार. एयरपोर्ट चल जाइए उससे.
But I'm
Nice.
looking now at all this shit and thinking, fuck, we're really getting warped during the lockdown because I have these things called Home So Lazy Reader glasses for book reading, Periscope, TV watching. Okay, this is
Wait, where did Periscope come from?
yeah.
in the
But
movie?
Specific
I'm going to
glasses to watch
explain that to
TV.
you. Yeah, and reading and stuff, anything. But so you can do everything you want to do, but lying down.
Every-
The TV's there. You can lie down.
Oh, you can lie down and watch.
You're looking through a periscope.
Oh, I know what this is. I've seen a reel. I've seen a reel.
You've definitely seen a reel.
Oh, dude.
This
It's
is
currently unavailable.
Unfortunately. And fortunately. So this is it.
Dude, this is. You look insane. Anyone will.
Yeah.
This is
Dude,
like
if
the
you put-
worst version of Vision Pro.
If you put
Look at
this
this
on
guy.
with that, then you're 50% Robocop.
गाड़ी नंबर 12
You're gonna be living your dream.
They're like, कौन बोल रहा है? कोई दिख नहीं रहा है.
Dude, this looks like a worse version of Vision Pro. Your eyes. Look at that. Look
Yeah,
at the
yeah.
eyes.
In this you lose your vision. Like that's the pro version. But I looked at it, I saw some of the reviews and all.
Yeah.
There's like these mirrors, like concave mirrors and all. Already my eyes were going, oh fuck, like it's hurting just looking at the product on Amazon. But look
But
at
that's
this.
good.
Can you imagine someone actually using this? They sell it as it looks like a parody product.
Yes.
Yeah. Is
But
it
just-
real?
And
it
it's
doesn't
real.
work.
It exists. It
I've
exists.
seen multiple reviews of this.
I've seen
I'm not
some
even
And what are the
kidding.
reviews like?
It's shit,
It's
it's
a
shit.
gimmick.
Okay.
It's a gimmick,
Like,
it's
yeah,
shit, yeah.
Oh, it doesn't work, no.
It works, but it's a gimmick. Like, how often are you going
I-
to put that on and lie in bed, you know?
A lot of times.
No,
Look at this
because-
fucker, he can just tilt his head a little bit.
That's-
Cheating.
But he's like, I will just do that.
no,
I'm
but,
getting paid for this picture.
but
Let me
see,
just do it.
your neck hurts sometimes, right? Like when you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you sit and read. No, why do you want to lie down and
No, for TV, for TV.
This is how the product got conceptualized. Somebody said, fucking neck hurting, bro. He said, you want to lie down? Oh shit, how will I watch the TV then? Oh fuck, we got it. Periscope.
mirror?
Mirrors. It's actually mirrors. Yeah, that's what it is.
I love that.
Weird.
That's great. Okay.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Then I
Okay.
have a printer ka nozzle, the 3D printer ka nozzle, not very interesting.
That's probably one of the coolest things you own, which I
A
love.
3D printer,
Yeah,
na?
it is great.
Is it great? Like, I'm sure it
He,
is.
he creates so many cool things off of it.
I don't create anything because I don't have the talent. But people who can create shit in Blender and stuff, you can make anything you want.
Yeah.
Literally.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Up to a
What have you
point.
made? Have you made something?
So I go to thingiverse.com and download models that you can use. And there's always
got it.
someone, and there's such a helpful community, right? Let's say you own your Apple Watch.
Yeah.
You go to Thingiverse and type Apple Watch, and you'll get all the different things people have made
For the
specifically
Apple
for the
Watch.
Apple
Oh,
Watch.
like a holder or a
Oh.
stand or
There's
something like that.
PS5 stands.
Oh, I should get it.
all
Yeah.
kinds of shit. All
For
kinds of
my
shit.
So you
PS5.
could make your own figurines and stuff, right? Then.
I could. They look terrible. But, they just look like clay figurines like that.
The
So I
Robocop
couldn't do that.
one. Do the Robocop figurine.
It's a big piece of sludge.
This one's for 500 rupees, just a little fucked up. Okay. Now down to
Final segment.
yes, we're down
Give it
to our
up for our
final
producer,
segment.
Antariksha. Antariksha is going
Hey
to talk to
guys,
us now. He has
what's
some
up?
games.
We have like a little bit of questions, little gamified kind of version. This is the final segment of the episode. First, just are you guys big on staying in hotels and travel? Are you guys big on that?
Yeah,
Jose?
last month I was.
You traveled a lot
This
last month.
I'm just home. But I like staying at hotels.
Yeah. What
Love
is
it.
the most expensive but the worst hotel stay you've had? Have you
Most
had that
expensive
experience?
and worst Grand Madras Hotel. No. wait, let me think. Most expensive and worst.
I mean, what,
I know the worst.
Or it
but
can be vacation also. Most expensive but most like,
Airbnb also
bad
works,
vacation
no?
you had.
No, like the worst I'll tell you in Shimla, I took this one room which was horrible and it was like on the top floor. And then we reached the top floor, we slept, and then we woke up in the morning. Oh, I opened the door and there's a road outside. And I
On the
forgot
top
Shimla. Yeah, I forgot Shimla is like the
Hill
it's,
station.
It's a hill station. So it was beach mein between two roads.
Oh wow. Okay.
It's not the worst.
Sounds
It
pretty
looks-
good.
Sounds nice, but the room was horrible. I know I just said something which sounds very
Sounds
nice.
great. Yeah, I would say.
Yeah. And it was beautiful.
wow,
there were
that sounds
trees
cool.
and the air was very nice.
I think you misheard my question. I think.
No, the room was horrible. There were cockroaches. But I don't know the most expensive though. I don't know.
Okay. Maybe like off the top of your head you can't.
Because
think
the
of
more
one.
expensive, the better they are usually. No, you
no,
go
that's
with
not true.
No,
That's not
no. If you go with brands you trust.
No. sir.
Airbnbs, I agree, can be
Yeah,
very horrible.
yeah.
So
Hotels
Jose-
Yeah, but
usually.
no, in general, like you said, if it's a more expensive, it's usually amazing. But I just went to where did this Red Bull event happen where they did the soapbox
Hyderabad?
thing? It was Hyderabad. Yeah, it was Hyderabad.
Yeah.
I can't fucking remember. I was so tired from that stay.
The
But
you should have drank the Red Bull,
soapbox
dude.
thing, yeah. So I went there. Beautiful fucking hotel. Okay, it's huge. It's amazing. Was it the? Fuck, I'm not sure about anything, so I don't want to say the name of the
fair.
hotel.
Yeah.
But it is one of those really big hotels.
like a known brand hotel.
Like when somebody's coming down a one-way road, you're like, hat. Probably that hotel. Okay. And I went in and it was fucking beautiful, okay? So I said, fuck yes, gonna rest over here.
Yeah.
Go inside and all these influencers are coming, all standing in lines, they're getting their rooms and shit. And they're like, here sir, here's your room and everything. And I hate I hate staying in hotels. I get anxiety. I don't like being away from my house. Because
Makes
of
sense.
the USB cables are all over there. So
Your coconut thing is probably
Yeah.
getting rusty.
Where is it? So I go in there and I open the windows. I'm like, open those curtains.
Yeah.
And it's looking back inside the hotel.
What?
Okay. And that's not the problem. Wouldn't be a problem normally.
Yeah.
But whoever designed that hotel also worked on Dune, I think. So the inside, it looked like, these fucking big black granite slabs and all. It was like someone was trying to assimilate you or something. So I was like,
What
fuck,
is
the
this
Borg are
hotel?
coming or some shit like that. And I started getting anxiety. I'm feeling claustrophobic. You can't see you can't see outside. You can't see the road. You can't see
You
the
just
sky.
see other people checking in
Yeah.
into this hotel.
Into this place where they're being.
And they also are beside you in other rooms looking at other people check in.
So anyway, I went downstairs and I said, I'm so sorry, but he's like, what? I said, do you have any rooms with windows looking outside? So he's like, oh no, everything's booked up and stuff. So I was like, oh fuck, I'm screwed. I'm just gonna die tonight. Then he found a room, and that room was looking outside into the city.
Okay.
Fortunately.
thank God.
Okay.
Lockdown.
Into another hotel's check in.
Freaky it was.
Fuck. Is it one of those big, the Taj Krishna or one of those?
No, he
the
said no.
Hyatt. I think it was the Hyatt.
Hyatt.
He said
Okay,
Hyatt.
okay.
I'll
I didn't hear
I'll
that.
have to just check my WhatsApp messages
Yeah.
to see where they booked
Yeah,
us
yeah,
in. But yeah, I
Let's
think it was.
Yeah, let's
Have
just-
you had?
Last year I went on a bachelor trip It was a mixed bachelorette, so the groom and bride both were coming. So the bride had like 7 friends, and the groom was bringing.
It was
3-4
actually a
of us.
very normal trip if the bachelor and
Yeah,
bachelorette
it just
was
turned out to be a
together.
regular vacation. It wasn't a bachelor.
Yeah.
But all the people I was going with, the groom and the bride, they both make money in dollars. Okay, and I make money in INR sometimes. So they had booked this fancy ass Airbnb in top of Phuket somewhere, which I was like, okay, fine. They want to have this trip. They're gonna get married. Let me just go, and I won't crib about it. We were paying around 70K a night for this Airbnb, okay?
Whoa.
And in pictures, it looked beautiful. It's overlooking a hill. There's greenery everywhere. Now the issue is there were around 12 of us, and 10 people reached before me and my best friend Devansh. So they took all the best rooms.
Oh, okay.
Devansh and I, my other friend, we got a room in the
Which looked into the check-in area
no,
of this hotel.
Actually not. It looked into inside the pool. So there's a window. Literally there are 2 single beds. Okay.
Okay.
It's probably this much the room.
So like
Okay.
bunch of rooms together.
Bunch of rooms
Like a
together.
bungalow.
There are proper suites in this villa,
Acha.
Okay.
which have been occupied
Wait.
by other people who reached before me.
What do you mean you looked inside the
I'll
pool?
tell you because our room is underground. Okay, and there is a big pool in this villa. So while people are swimming, and if I draw the curtains, I can just see underwater.
Oh no, that sucks.
You can see
That
their
is-
legs and all.
Huh?
You can see their legs and all.
I mean, if they're underwater, I can see the face also.
I mean,
Yeah, although
Yeah.
that sucks. That is
Yes,
the worst.
yes.
That has to be
Yep.
because what if it breaks and then you?
Exactly. And we stayed there for 5 days. So 70,000 divided by 10.
Dear God.
Yeah.
Dude, so
7K
say if
into
someone
5.
if someone pees in a pool, you can just see.
Like that water consistency looks a little different over there.
Just looking outside your window. That guy peed right now. That guy peed. I can see him.
Freaky. It's like
So, yeah,
going
that
into
was
that.
the worst experience I had after paying a lakh for 5 days.
I feel like this is meant for like old creepy uncles, you know. That's what the room is for. dude.
Hello reception, can you send some people to the pool please? ये बहुत कुछ नहीं दिख रहा
Tell
है.
people to swim.
Water
please.
is too blue today, huh? What's wrong?
It's really unnerving, no? It's like you go to water where they have those polar bears and all behind the glass. and
Oh
everything.
yeah, like an aquarium.
Yeah, but humans.
All right, next question. I'm going to give you an option of 4 celebrities who bought. So one of these celebrities bought a ridiculously expensive item. The item is a dinosaur skull for
Dinosaur skull.
Dinosaur
Okay.
skull for $276,000, which comes to 2.3 crore rupees, Indian rupees. All right?
Okay.
So who bought this from these 4? A. Harrison Ford, B. Nicolas Cage, C. Nicole Scherzinger, or D. Snoop Dogg? Who do you think?
Nicolas Cage.
Even I feel like Nicolas Cage
Yeah.
would do something like that.
I
Okay.
think Harrison Ford because he played Indiana
Indiana
Jones, right?
Jones.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
true. I forgot about Harrison.
I
But
was
Nicolas
totally-
Cage did play that. What's the equivalent?
National
Treasure.
treasure,
Oh,
yeah.
So
correct,
both
correct,
apply,
correct.
right?
But Nicolas Cage was broke, so
But
I
also-
don't. Maybe this is
Was
why
he?
he was broke.
But I think this
Yeah,
is
yeah,
Snoop
he
Dogg
got
because
broke.
he was the highest of all 4 of them. Like,
No, I go with Nicolas Cage.
Oh, none of you think Nicole Scherzinger?
I don't know who she is actually.
forgot.
Oh, that's Don't You Wish Your Girlfriend Was
Hot like me.
Oh, I know that song.
Yeah,
Don't
that's
you
it.
wish?
Did she make that much money from that
I mean,
song?
she's one of the highest.
Don't you wish you
youth
had a
star, youth
dinosaur
star.
skull like me?
Okay, so you guys are fine with your answers?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Harrison Ford.
Okay, and you
Nicolas
guys are
Cage.
both Nicolas Cage. The correct answer is Nicolas Cage. Yes, you both are
Yes.
right. You
No
both are
one
right.
else
Very
is
cool.
crazy enough.
So,
Yeah.
dude, I saw a video which was explaining how he went bankrupt because he kept buying
know,
some stupid
I know,
shit.
I
Yeah.
know.
Now we know why.
That's why I said he went
Yeah.
bankrupt.
Same
This is
thing,
why.
same thing with Johnny Depp also. He also kept
Yeah,
buying like
yeah.
ridiculous expensive
Nicolas Cage
things.
had like 16 mansions all across US.
So the article goes on to say about this, right? About this buying the
Uh-huh.
skull thing. He says he put his friendship with Leonardo DiCaprio at risk when he outbid him to buy the skull back in 2007.
Oh
Wow.
fuck.
Then it turned out.
Was this dinosaur skull 15 years old or what?
No.
No.
Wow,
It
nice.
was a real
Nice.
skull.
It was a real
Real-
skull, a
real
T-Rex skull, which is extremely
shit.
rare.
Wow.
Oh, it's too
Like-
old for him.
Yeah. Then in 2019, Nicolas Cage revealed that turned out that skull had
Yeah.
been stolen. It was a stolen skull. So he had to return it back to the country of
Did he get the money
Magnolia.
back?
This is the
He
plot of,
didn't. He
plot of
didn't.
National Treasure. Part 6. 6 coming out now. Oh, shit.
It's not insane.
Part 6 is just him on customer care.
Please give me. I need.
But I can't understand all this buying skulls and shit. Doesn't have a switch on it even.
Yeah,
It's not
serves no
functional,
purpose.
Yeah, probably gets dirty and rusty.
I'll only spend if it serves a ridiculous purpose is also fine, but some purpose, just a skull.
Hey, वो Nicolas Cage का black money.
Yeah, he
Like,
uses.
go there and there's
Okay,
also
this is
like a
Frank
giant
Bankrupt
frog.
हो गया ना, black money spend करके
उसका
bankrupt
black
हो गया.
money.
Now, last two questions.
Yeah.
The first one is arrange these 4 brands in your order of preference.
Yeah.
Okay, so whichever you prefer becomes number 1, and then number 4 is the
Okay.
last one you prefer. Randomized, all right? So remember also, our ratings mean a lot. Randomized list, but our ratings mean a lot. This is a podcast that talks about spending money.
Yes.
Got you.
So
Yeah.
when we say this is a good brand, people should spend money on that.
Fair
So
enough,
a lot
sir.
of weight, a lot of
Yeah.
weight.
So we're enabling an entire population.
Yeah, exactly.
But in a good way.
Yeah. So these are the 4 brands. A. Lenskart. B. Ed Hardy.
Yuck.
C. Comedy Central.
Comedy Central.
Yeah. And D.
What?
MDH Masala.
How do I give money to Comedy Central?
I don't know. So these 4 brands
What do you
just
mean you
arrange
don't
them.
know? You came up
You
with
bought
this.
the you bought the subscription to Tata Sky and वो उसके साथ वो आया था. We are
Where would you put
comparing
your
Comedy Central to Ed
Yeah.
Hardy.
So just
And
4
MDH.
brands.
Got it.
Where would you, whatever your
First
preference
was
is.
what?
Lenskart.
Lenskart,
Ed Hardy. Comedy Central and MDH
and
Masala.
MDH Masala.
See, can all of them be last?
You don't like any of those
Because
brands?
they're all last according to me. So
Okay.
MDH should be at the top.
Yeah,
MDH
MDH will be
Masala.
above
Such.
because
Yeah.
nice
MDH
masalas.
Such.
Nice
And it's good
masalas.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That uncle, that uncle still lived forever.
Bro, and
No, he's dead.
No, but he lived forever.
Acha. No,
Like-
but he did.
Yeah, I know he
died.
died.
but also to make a
Real-
product like that consistently and remain. Have you ever heard anybody say ये MDH में क्या मिल गया?
डेट में क्या मिल गया
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
true.
yeah.
Fucking
That's true.
zero.
Dude,
of those
MDH,
reviews.
okay, fine. MDH is like above the others, but Ed Hardy, fuck that, dude. They make horrible
They do
looking
make horrible.
t-shirts.
Yeah,
Ed
correct.
And
Hardy
whatever.
but what if you're on mushrooms?
That's true.
You might
actually.
like it. You'll be like,
Actually, on mushrooms, it'll be nice.
Ed Hardy was damn weird. It's like someone threw up on the shirt
Yeah.
after
Skulls.
eating all the paint.
Okay, 5 lakhs
I'm
for
going to
this.
be quiet because I have spent quite some money on it.
Nothing will beat the PS5, so don't worry.
You have Ed Hardy clothes still?
No, not still, but I had one T-shirt because Ed Hardy's showroom had just opened in Jaipur. I was like, fuck, I want to get some Ed Hardy, bro. But I went and bought a T-shirt, and right next to the T-shirt, they had this accessory store where they were selling phone covers.
Of Ed Hardy.
Of Ed
Ed Hardy.
So I want a phone cover.
Wow.
Okay, so again, the 4 brands are Lenskart, Ed Hardy, Comedy
Lenskart,
Central.
I have perfect vision, so I don't.
I have perfect vision, but I have 3 Lenskart glasses.
Okay, cool.
For what?
And MDH Masala.
Achha,
So
sunglasses,
you're all
yeah.
saying MDH is number 1.
MDH at the top.
MDH number
Top.
1.
Then,
yeah.
then Lenskart, Ed
I
Hardy,
think
Comedy Central.
Lenskart, they have this thing on their app where you can check your
Check.
IPD.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
you
yeah.
can do like what these look
Look
like
on
only
you.
via
Yeah, yeah,
camera.
yeah.
Yeah.
And
So
also
I-
they give you free tests, not for free eye
Yeah,
test
test.
if you go to their
That's
store.
a way for you to get into their store.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Comedy Central will be last. By
Zero.
the way.
Because they've never given you a special.
No, I've
They're
done.
not giving anybody a special.
Yeah,
It's
they've
done.
never-
It's
That's
over.
You
Those
think Comedy
dicks.
Central India is giving people
No, no,
specials?
no,
They've done Sterling Reserve Comedy Central. What is that reality show which I was a part of? That's all I've done with Comedy Central.
Cyril.
Huh?
And did you do that?
No,
thing?
Varun Thakur. I did that with Varun. Wait, there was something with Cyril. No. I was in first season,
Oh yeah, correct.
and Varun Thakur was hosting.
Oh, okay, that's a different one. Yeah. But they did a lot of those things. So, but Ed Hardy will be at the end, na? So Comedy
Yeah.
Central automatically gets the third spot.
Third spot.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
MDH,
MDH,
Lenskart.
Lenskart for the
Comedy
Comedy
functionality.
Central, Ed Hardy.
I'm gonna rate them in order of how much money I spent on this brand.
Okay, go ahead.
So MDH first because it's been like I've been
Everywhere.
using MDH forever,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, sure.
Then Ed Hardy because that phone cover was very expensive.
Sure.
And then Lenskart because I have a few Lenskart glasses. I don't have number, but I just got the glasses. And then Comedy Central.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, we got everyone's ratings.
Okay, last question.
Last question. Arrange these 4 classic reality shows, Indian reality shows, in order of preference.
Yeah.
A. Roadies.
Yeah.
B. Splitsvilla, of course.
Yeah.
C. Indian Idol. And D. Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Or should it be Big Boss? Should we go Big Boss? No, fuck it.
You decide.
Yeah.
No, no.
It's your question.
Let's go. Jhalak. So
Indian Idol and Jhalak.
Roadies, Splitsvilla, Indian Idol, Jhalak Dikhla.
Okay, first is Explosive Villa.
Explodies.
Explodies. Sorry.
No, I'm with you on that. The first season of Splitsvilla, I really watched that shit.
Yeah,
And at that time I was also working
Those
at
two
MTV,
guys-
so I was like, bro,
yeah.
I must
Oh,
watch
this
this.
is
the future.
You should have
the
come
thing.
on.
But it really was fucking amazing, and it had
Chinappa hosting, na?
Agni had done the track for it and
Yeah,
all.
oh, dude, that
yes,
track was
correct,
fucking
correct,
beautiful.
Nah,
Yeah.
dee-da. Copyright violation.
I think. Oh, okay. Ah, acha,
Oh,
okay.
we thought you were leaving. You
Yeah.
fuck these guys. They like Splitsvilla.
I
So
think
Splitsvilla was amazing.
It was-
I felt like it actually not that. I mean, I'm sure Roadies has its own audience and people are, and Roadies was I think far more popular.
Popular.
Yeah.
But for me, I felt like Splitsvilla had more meat and more drama.
it was more dramatic
You
than
bitch.
even now.
Didn't you get to?
Yeah, even now.
Jose, didn't you get to interview a lot of the auditionees?
I
at
did
Roadies?
one episode of Roadies. I was trying to block that out of my memory. Thank you so much. Why did you bring that up? I did one, just one.
I remember this.
They couldn't find someone to do that, I think, maybe. It was damn weird. It was weird for them, it was weird for me also. I can't be like, oh, I'm so snooty, I don't like Roadies. They were also like, what the fuck is this guy doing here? But no, I was interviewing the people who were coming out of their interview.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
they'd all
yeah,
come
yeah.
out like... and then
And you're
meet
like,
me and I
"Kaisa
was
tha?"
also like... So it was just like, what's fucking going on? Yeah.
Just 10 seconds of two people.
Yeah, going...
Okay, thank you. Okay,
Okay, so
I'll
what do you
go
got?
with Splitsvilla 1. Roadies 2, I haven't watched Jhalak Dikhla Ja, so that'll be 4th.
Never was.
I don't know why I skipped 3rd. Wait, 3rd was what? Indian Idol, yeah.
Indian Idol.
Indian Idol was good, bro.
First
season was
First
good.
2 seasons, the Amit
First
Sana,
season.
Abhijit Sawant fiasco.
That was peak. That was
Yeah.
peak.
I
Okay,
voted for
okay.
Abhijit Sawant.
I voted
so
for Amit Sana. No, fuck
I'm
off.
following them on Instagram.
It's like first seasons are a huge boost in
Yeah.
India.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
Shark Tank, Indian
Yeah.
Idol.
Even
Yeah.
Splitsvilla
First seasons.
and Roadies, the
Yeah,
first
first
couple
seasons
of
were
seasons
became
peak.
so
Peak.
yeah,
Yeah,
right,
yeah, yeah.
absolutely. Have you ever been approached for reality shows, Jose, to be on like Jhalak Dikhla Ja or a Big Boss or something?
They've approached me to not come. Excuse me, sir, can you don't show up? Don't even fucking audition. But no, fortunately, not yet.
Okay, cool.
they approached me for Indian Idol
Hosting?
once, and I was
Oh,
like,
shit.
wait, who do you want to contact? Because there's no way you want to contact
Oh,
me.
it's the other Govind Menon.
I think so. There's
Oh,
another musician Govind
musician.
Menon. So they were like,
It would
hey,
have been wild if you showed up also over there.
Yeah,
and they're like,
yeah.
sir, here's a guitar. You're like, for what?
for what? What do I? No, that Govind Menon plays violin. They're like, here you go. Like, no, I don't. I'm gonna sing.
I guess they want me to use this in my comedy side.
Insanely funny.
They're like, we want you to come to Indian Idol. I'm like, I don't want to come to Indian Idol, but yeah, that's
you're saying
mine.
Splitsvilla, Roadies?
Splitsvilla, Roadies, Indian Idol, and then Jhalak Dikhla Ja because I don't care for the.
I'm
Jhalak
gonna
Dikhla Ja.
rate them in order of who has paid me the most money.
Value for money shows.
So Splitsvilla on top, they gave
Yeah.
me a lot of money. Then Roadies second because they didn't ask me to write the show, they asked me to do the social media stuff. Then Jhalak Dikhla Ja and Indian Idol I think are tie because I think Indian Idol first because I watched the first couple of seasons and Jhalak Dikhla Ja I've never watched.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Jose, what was yours?
Splitsvilla, Indian Idol.
Oh.
I was not that much into Roadies, but I was really into Splitsvilla. Also weird. And Indian Idol.
Yeah.
So Splitsvilla, Indian Idol, Roadies, and
Jhalak
Jhalak
Dikhla Ja.
Dikhla
See,
Ja.
that's how less anyone
yeah,
cared
yeah.
for Jhalak Dikhla
Should I
Ja.
change-
Jose,
to
I
Big
think
Boss.
you and I should go back to MTV and pitch them our
Yeah.
version of Splitsvilla.
Hi guys. So you dance with the crocodile. It's Jhalak Dik Roadies Villa.
Dick
And they
Roadies.
approve it. They're like, fuck, that's brilliant. Fuck. Yeah.
That's great. Okay, so thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for
to
having
this
me.
episode.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
I have never been on a podcast where they said, please bring all the shit you got. and then we genuinely discussed
Yes.
it. So
Yeah.
that's even fucking better.
Yeah.
And we're on a terrace somewhere in the world.
Yeah, we've never addressed this terrace, by the way.
Yeah.
We just.
What do you
And
think?
there is-
Yeah, what do you think of the setup and all, man?
Fuck, what is happening? This is amazing. This is like you see every podcast has like mic, white wall,
Yeah.
you have this
Yeah.
that. Bro, we can
Yeah.
see inside
There's
that
so much
person's
depth.
house.
Correct. Yes.
Good evening, auntie.
You can see
Go
that
in.
auntie literally wash her dishes.
Yeah.
It's just houses all around us, and we're like, hey, so I got this coconut opener, and they're just like,
Can you
what the
imagine
fuck are
the,
those?
people from the other buildings going, what the fuck is that guy got in his hand
Oh,
over
I
there?
should get that. I have coconut water in the water.
But thank you so much for
Thanks,
coming,
bro,
Jose.
thanks.
This was
It was a lot of
fucking
fun.
This is wild.
lot
This
of
is
fun to
amazing.
come. Okay.
Thank you so much for
Thank you
watching.
so much for
Please
watching.
keep buying things. Leave
Yeah.
comments if you want to.
Tell
Like,
us in the
subscribe.
comments
What you thought
what
of
you
our
thought of all
Yeah.
the products.
Always check the reviews.
always check the reviews, and thank you so
And
much
make
for
sure
watching.
you fill water, will fill petrol in your scooter bag.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Jose. Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Awesome,
Bye.
awesome.
Bye. 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 Bye.